Baba, Yankopon, Islam, Papa, Yankopon, Saudi, and Kaimpo, Nippon, and James, or dear Juma, we Bahan, Pacon, Ditum, Yankopon, Sas, and Pana. Obuoba no Papa, can Mamma and Papa. When Yankopon can, you know, the Town, the Yatro.
Obuoba, many who pharmacy and they met me because my trust every time. We a product, to be frank, you are a product that we have to be proud of.
More music on trendybeats.com.
Thank you. So below juice mixed with a little ginger. Oh girl, I wanna be with you, but you know they got enough time for me. I wanna live with you. I got the reason why I can't let go. Girl, you never know, so you gon' gossip. Man, them so far to find your love. Girl, you never know, so you gon' gossip. Man, them so far to find your love. Girl, you never know, so you gon' gossip. Man, them so far to find your love. Girl, you never know, so you gon' gossip. Man, them so far to find your love. I show you chin now, girl, don't talk. Got me like a thief in a night, long jaw. But you know, say, all of my niggas, them ball. Nothing you go ever need at all. I show you chin now, girl, don't talk. Taking it a break, at me, I know the rush. Baby, if you want me, catch a rebel, my miss, I would do me. Yeah, follow. If you I go follow, and I hope you know, say you be Doro. You dey like Doro Bucci, you follow. Oh, follow. If you I go follow, and I hope you know, say you be Doro. You dey like Doro Bucci. Oh, girl, I wanna be with you, but you know they got enough time for me. I wanna live with you.
Obuoba Ofori Amanfo,
you never know,
AHENKAN933 FM.
Man, them so far to find your love. Girl, you never know, say you gon' gossip. Man, them so far to find your love. Girl, you never know, you gon' gossip. Man, them so far to find your love. Girl, you never know, say you gon' gossip. Man, them so far to find your love.
Okay, some 19 minutes after 7 a.m. Make I ya 20. Time here and anymore. Okay, so 20 minutes after 7 a.m. live on your family favorite radio station AHENKAN933 FM. Matching any Jumedi anything. We about to offer me Obuoba Ofori Amanfo. Yeah, the sports and yeah, the Bremo. On my way yet was so. Now, what say University Teachers Association of Ghana, UTAG.
I wanna live with you.
Yeah, it is one more year to Musa Fade, one more ever suspended a yes strike here, or more aircon.
You never know, say you
and into the anybody at Chenia had the echoes were home.
find your love. You never know, you gon' gossip. Man, them
So the national leadership of the new patriotic party NPP, Menoka say, Omo ICU warning, and Yama party stalwarts. Say one more shots here. Omo to talk a year form said him aspiring polling station executives. No, because yet say Yera Alan Tremanting what top forms Nina Ediama aspiring polling station executives. No, you didn't hear issue one in the Aquamom said they should stop that. Honorable Kennedy or Hene Japan Nibu Fu Papa or see a Dwasafo can go to hell.
But you know they got enough time for me.
And the Omodi deputy majority leader and the Bemano. Adaya or Chesa Dwasafo say I'm for deputy majority leader and farmer or parliamentar. And yeah, send ye Timuasi a Tim. They say a friend I draw TikTok. And on a year record, they point to say, now Obra Parliament be a Juma woman. What a TikTok and a son of Wosa. Now, and Mammy Adwa TikTok. Now, son, yeah, the Kakraba to your YouTube and Facebook into it. Me join in. Now, I shall son Kakra. Now, so you know, Canada, Japan say you can go to hell. You won't be deputy majority leader. Share my wound to me. Share my wound to me is in the news. And this time around, not for any wrongdoing, but for positivity. Chema wuntu mi say amanyo semo ya na yetwa da pa no ebra so wose yejai sa de no wose say wono wasesa politics ya wo ye na wutwa da pa debi oso wono wasesa nansen enti ese asedan kan urade
coming like a thief in the night long job. But you know say all of my niggas done ball. You go ever need that talk.
Na yes so obese ko kwai bibrem no e wo ye mpotam he ya kede a forms a ye kwa akofa keke no yes adane bloody hey ene Jackie Chan ye to na we nam wiem na we akoto eno ne se ekoso ewo eye kwai bibrem kede abatwo mpesua so aropo medical catcher so ye be ko ho na yakwakodi enkomo
you dey like dodo buji girl I wanna be with you but I wanna live with you.
So yesterday was your birthday, the municipal chief executive for the Brim Central Municipal Assembly, the Honorable Victoria Edu. Belated birthday going out to you once again. And of course, live to be 93.3 and beyond. Mauna yirao akpena mau yirao mauna yirao kaka odi brensu odi aba enkrofon sabe kan che. Switching to the brighter side of life again, it is of course your birthday. Happy birthday going out to you, Nelson Okraku Mante. So happy birthday going out to you, Nelson Okraku Bequin, aka Nathaniel Nelly. Hey, boys, it is a Nelson Okraku Bequin, aka Nathaniel Nelly. Happy birthday going out to you. Live to be 93.3 and beyond. Wishing you a glorious birthday.
Don't keep me waiting.
Charlie, party near bye. We go party. And go for say petty. You better petty.
Girl I know go tired. You be my desire.
Okay, nti se wonya tini se ya na eya abrabo emu efutuo abrabo akwantuo mu adesunya kakra na mepese yesua fe yewia na ye de bon krata mbo so ne de ato so some 25 minutes after 7 a.m. mepacho ha ya henkan 93.3 FM or friend mimi Obuoba Ofori Amanfo mepacho yes set your heart and your mind free. Set your heart and your mind free. Forgive quickly and keep your soul free from bitterness and anger. Set your heart and mind free. Forgive quickly and keep your soul and yourself free from bitterness and anger. Eno no pay person ka ho asem. Oda chinti se opese unyi cha obi obone amfa show mu bebre sa se wasem to say me plain for no a go to the person, approach the person, let the person know say your ye and wani anye ho na mo fansi ho a emfa show mu se obi obone no amfa nche wo ho a afei na ba be ye bitterness eno no krampo om kan twi sen asa ye wo ya ma unhu nya wo nya wo ho da bi enti so obi ye wade ho no a mo nipa ne hunu said your ye no wani anye ho o ka kire ni wi a emfa nhye utirim emfa nhye wakoma mu yifiri wakoma mu yifiri utirim se ne be ya ade enche so sa ade eche so no ka kai eniema bi de be ka ho a obon said the more a keep long with you no not the more furious you become and the more bitter you become. In this will be your idea na senya ebetumi a yete se obuoba mo nipa ni hu se ne oye na nye na mo fancy wa mo solve wie then Charlie, what's up we move on. But obi wo hono ma wo ye na ade na ye ne ya won kan kire wo ono a won fa nchew na eseni mu ohunu bia na ne ye ma hye ne pro madam ubewu bra ubewu ntentem ebi kura na wumfie nyankopon de ma wo no enye ne awo ye wan hwe obetwa wumfie no so ntentem obi ye wade ne ye wo ya eho no aka kire no o ka kire ne wie mfa nhye mu obi timi ka se fa che de obetimi de ache na emom jama ne madam munyai sa anope ya ne ka kire wo se be an agent of Christ. So obey agent of Christ e wo se wo ye obi a ye de ade ye wo na ye wo ya eho no a yifiri mu ntentem fa nhye mu minim sa wo ye nipa but emfa nhye mu wo di show mu a ekum sunsum ekum okra no ebem akoma yare unse se obi ya wade na wo de ne ho asem show mu a uhu nipa ni bia na wo koma kosoro uhu nipa ni bia na wo yama se wo pra ubewu onipa na wafa ne ho asem dia show mu onim se wo de ne ho asem show mu into ano no ebi kro ohunu kro no obesere ohunu kro no ebia but na wo de ne ho asem show mu ubewu into ano pay me se wo da chinti me pese wo nyi che suya se obi ye obone a eho no a mu be siesie mu siesie wi a yifiri mu na mo nante eno ene be mu wanyini ache eno ene be mo watimi atwa wo nkwa nyina amen na wankasa waje tum sampa die nyame kafa wo ho no abam oda chinti ye ne sa afama me oda chinti set your heart and mind free, forgive quickly and keep your soul free from bitterness and anger and you live long. Masa ya bunyansanyom nyum a bunyansanim sei mia na me se bo sugar cane o be sesa no kura no wo so sesa na bunyansanyom nia wo boyi sanka mtie wachire wanka mampia ntum enye minua enye o ni odi atum ni nyansa wom me yire ko thank you. Okay, adding to on so about pemu pepepe wo fie ha me no ka say kwaku enin kusi buadum father my boss kebeya you ready cause on for so me what na say sanso so na akosua adepa duma ke wotia pa da na say wa show so na me sha say na me di tro me ke me bo me homo na enra na ye ka say ye ka say no break ye kusi hard working guy minim say ultimate da dwene ne ho de a hey edio na adwuma ne ya wo de chen wa ketua adwuma ne ya wo de chen wa ketua ebeyi tina me nko mi krom no oh dabi ye kan no break ya wo ni no break no aka akoni ono de je fans kwa wo ni no break no original no break oh dabi adwuma no say de tie no me hwe de wi si start ya oh me life ma me de do say na see na was me kono cause me say more than this will come sure but oyade iro ho sisi ade akatua do unya ne say de ope oh and no problem but water asase bi adua de wo so dachi na to abodo atunzu ani sa na be obadwuma pa endra say o ma me feel ya kama me da me mpemu na me feel ya me titia o enra ayi mia me hwa kwaku na me sia na ya papa ni hoyi ya aka kwaku kwan de ene radio ne de me se wo de be ya ne ho bi ahwe ya na mpaja da do pass na ahwe ya manfo be wi aguo mo ho sa na me ka kire ejo e na ampa so ati se because enra nimle na wa ba ne hit bi a wo de be wura studio ha no kusi ya talented ene for bi na me se eh na mo so mo ofa sabe mentasio omo ofa ade ya won tanti wo mo na te ya mo twotwo ne magu krata so sa minimo la 2022 no ma sesem wo minim so omo ofa so mo de kom de mo no formula wo wo ba ya ufrebi je they say the formula wo mpa mo they say formula mo na sa na minim se
talent kura kwakusa.
Oh, kwaku too much. Wa mama kai memranti brem. Kwaku too much pa. Too much. You know.
I thought that was your sap no was a as a person me immediately PM say there be oba show so na oba nyo sa bebre nti na was am jai.
Anas me jimi o.
Oh, there be na some mo jimi so. Me tie some mo jimi so.
Oh, there be.
Me mo jimi so.
Na be ye pie.
Let me more so.
What man can do, woman can do.
Yes. But what you say yawo bibi your friend no magnet. Say magnet hunu ni nwia magnet ya. Na o pese woni de koshia. Enti say o sha say wo yes ha ne ma na. No so ne de ne pese pie.
Ne pese pie. Wa hia. Wo say toda na pese pie na ma sham ho so. Wa hu. Nti.
Wa ma kai me colleague former colleague worker bi. Ono so no o multi talented sa. Baby are ne betu bia. Ebefa. Baby are betu bia. And then kaka nyame na dum baby owo no. Enti no gidi ho no so dia dance di beta akire.
Amen.
And you ho sa. Mo fe na ntimu a na yenko. Na ye wi a, mo se ndo na mama Victoria. Ne birthday. Odi nsu abremo.
Oh!
Enti mo be no mu nsuo.
Hala wo hakuba.
Avoid canopy water.
Vortic.
Odi nsu aba.
Eya bottle water. Anya dia wodi sachet water bebada. Say you sure dia na say bottle no mu oduten. You know.
Enti mo enu nsuo. Why? Enti mo fa vim. Emfa mo wura mu na fe yanko yanim.
No cry ba ko pe ahye nkura no pe ntena no pe no so abo apon minute aduasa 9. Adishmama ya boy en firi kodwa pe newsroom yete akwa afrakoma studio. Enkra tawdo abadwa so ene mu nsem ayapinsu ene ebe obobi so ade amamo. We ni ti headlines. The find that the Bokrata and Adishmamba. Me de twaso me de hyase amamo anopai. The find that the Bokrata ebo amane say. Deputy Minority Whip. Ora say we mama say. Common fund. Mensini bia wo mo dia kam no. Deputy Minority Whip ora mama say 2 billion Ghana cedis. Abanu ba betua. Common fund kai down no oba betua mu 2.4 billion Ghana cedis. Na eno nso atumi aboa pa. Na say me can defend abamane. Road Safety Authority RFA4 wo ma bo aban aba so papa say wa fa adwen say enkrade kokuma se kwantempo no oba be no double wo se abana ya de pa ehun edanum sei osofo hwe Ghana yesika sam so onimnyafo kenoforiata o say e-levy eno any the best option na se enya ditum say hwi ebeboa pa ma Ghana yesika sam edina ye na momanfo nso atim no wo mo ho ato wo mo osofo na hwensase ene obade ne paso lance minister onimnyafo Jinapo ora Jinapo Samuel Jinapo waka ewanum se jese apiate arewsemesi ya krono fa ebutu ye no wo mo ba be isi sidani bi ede ama wo mo no se eda no mbesisi no kure pelipeli ye asisi bia enkoso obia benyan pepepe waka no wanum se ya chemu wanum se se de asetrema den ewo Ghana no yesinya Ghana nko a ewiasa fa na nina asetrema eden bebia ye hye bebia ye tawe ti se krama bonni ataso na yesi Asia pe o ehonum na womu ezoso kakra bi aba onum atese womu de omanfo efilifa hu kratafa etoso num na the finder de obokrata no ede nsem wi ebai
the anchor de obokrata na mede atoa so no na awokrata imu ne ne ewonum atwa na atwa ya kase agboyi ena wade ononyamfo Canada akompre ko Japan enfoni abetoa ya wabalenum kakra wokasa na wokasa hire hwan wode ewononyamfo Sara aduasafo so abetum finfin ena baba waso na mami no ho afeye pa ne ko atwetwa na wafutire ni saa na wohwe no ena wade ne papa so abeto ntan owura kantanka so eda ho eti asema Canada Japan ena yakasa na ochese wo ho se wo de nyade a wo beba mra se badwa fie ena ne wo so de a ena wo gina TikTok se de wo ye ayi TikTok MP eti ade ya kwofo ye wa TikTok obi ti yakasa uso no when ya so ntire won kwada grow wani so uso no wanye we won tesa address of uso dia TikTok ana wo fidie ana ononyafo Canada Japan chance na wo fi se do me kwa benya ya wo ye mra se badwani wo ho no no o papa kantanka apostle ko Joseph ne dia wo hu ana wo kasa sa de a che no de anko de Obuoba tankata fe to so miensa
na so ura Canada Japan na wo ba ko
agani afa
omani ntia ura Canada Japan
ntende
na enu anase de si gina ni okam why jam minister adwuma to MP adwuma to akwetena brochiri
oh boile
ayi ori si echi mensa bensu be kam ntia
na o mayare
omonya matebu ofi na okwa akosovo
se na yare na ne mayare
na Ghana nkwada mpimpim guo
sa
gender minister na o so we fi asem
ana wa yi na adwen won se odenyofo Kennedy dia
o kanokre
kanokre to atase do me kwa benya no nya no papa dia wa ba be nya no ma be ye bibi basa bia wo hono ntia won sam so da ha na da nkoda Obuoba ta no kro ya dia ba ye wo tese manhia not na se badwani papa yi na wo susu so wo se akronfo akowia no na eno na MPP youth organizer bidia ba bonte wo no susu se akronfo wo mu kowia manhia not na se badwani no MP na ene fake ye ehye da be ka sa akronfo awia no no a na plan na ade ono a na ye na ade we it is alleged MPP youth organizer no na alleged na ora mrekudu kanso de atodwa woche so minerals commission no abo won modern pa aboa ama wono a develop fund bia eno no ama ye project bia ejana na so ye pa kata fa to so du nsia ewo the anchor the Obuoba animo
the new crusading guide the Obuoba ensem enadruso osofa be de chi ohwe enso anya wonidi ensem so deputy minister for water and sanitation Orumnyafo Ishahaku Chinya papa say pa se Ghana yebesasa ya chi akwa International Monetary Fund IMF no ebe ha adwen pa ebe ma yakọ ehunyenhia mu mo enu ntinkebe ya e-levy yanjintumbreo tisa akoko ebeku na ema nsu anom na efa somdwemra waka ni pen ewo the new crusading guide the Obuoba temu efom ya no sei Teshi traditional council for abo amanfo a wo mu wiewia nsase nkakran bo se ade che obeto hye oto na na konanim ade chi bi ma oto hye na oto akonanim saa yeso mu di wian nsase o teshi ni bottom enam so ma teshi traditional council no wo ma ni abre pa ebo wo mu kokose se wo ma hweye ade eyomfe ebe yomotan the new crusading guide the Obuoba tanisimo de bible eno no ena owura Ernest Kobia owura Ernest Kobia wakacha aban ne se aban ni nyansem dwofo na nsem dwofo nyom fawodie enya dwuma the new crusading guide the Obuoba
Ghanaian Times GT the Obuoba ana mede etoaso na GT the Obuoba na dia baya wode Mr White keno fo wi atamfo nya beto no asam krona na woka 11 munyintum na ho ntonwo we was o se 11 no eye better option pa se bebo ma Ghana mpuntu akoso ya kwan papa timi aye adwuma school se timi aye adwuma hospital se timi aye adwuma bibi biara ye di 11 tuma ebeboa pa ma Ghana kra ahwe a ebeti sabrochire ewura kenofowiata na yekasa na GT the Obuoba no kro ya de aba ya krata ya sama woka ne so owura Isaac Kofi Ejiri ana wabon nsem se shia papai wano no uko prisons wa oye pani wo ho pa ana wabon nsem se shia ediama Ghana Gas Company Limited se wama boa support na project abana besi ediama eye prison service no etimi akoso no eye first astrotel ya no abana timi aboa abesi special initiative no ana wabon nsem se shia se Ghana Gas for aboa ama project no etimi akoso na watrese o ukohwe nima mama obi emaburu no a ene hode wo mo gang lias pa wo mo na we wo susu se bombom leader bia wo mo no wo mo nsa so ne mu pa ne wutimi so we no e gangalia papa ewo ni ma mobi mabunu ni mo wo matche no ewo hono mo Ghanaian Times GT the Obokrata no na e din se we ni afoforo bi aba monten so anope
The Chronicle the Obokrata mu nsem ebinie dodo na esan e repeat no ho ti me kwa oforo bom Inspector General of Police Owura IGP George Akufu Dampare Doctor Ose asojafo a ekoma abonefo bi amo asojafo ekoma ankofo bi amo wo me criminals ose san ankofo no mkomo mamo no me criminals ewo fadama no ose animanim ye ose chichi sa police for no ose chichi sa police for ni na mkoma criminals na amo ewo fadama no ose anjechi wo mo na wo ma anya de Owura Dampare ani abre ewo the Chronicle do Obokrata mu anope krata kro ya gba mane se okomampon NPP fo atena ya wo matete wo se pansam ewa ese joso tumuze enema bone akoso ho no mo The Chronicle the Obokrata
any economic time the Obokrata times mom the Obokrata na mede eto aso na krata yi ebo amane ya wode ayi aba wo chese Bank of Ghana governor ena woda ha na asama waka ne se ene no wo hwe SOEs na eno state owned enterprises na first no na ejina 15 se no akwafomo akogina 7 ya no ewonsem ewo ha no ye dwadie mu nsem ya wo mototo niema ewo mu se na be ya niema betimi akoso na woteso ene se edipa benya adwuma ye no job unavailability no a raise papa no so nsam ewo ho no bo ewo Economic Times the Obokrata no emo na Mr White kuro na sanso be piem ase wono de city ni wasam na worker ya watch so aban no ataxe se wobehwe na interbanks no na forex brew no wode mutimi ahwe na ne matimi atoto yie se na be ya ye cedi no so ebetimi akwa nanim kakra e wo ho no mesa se ne ye se dollar no kra no ahuri kwosoro se kwam enti Economic Times the Obokrata no munsem eno no
The business analyst ya bawrem e odwadie de Obokrata mu na adwadie mu no na interior minister urei ekan pe wanum se Ghana de shimama 11 anjintum esase edituma ebeboa pama investment akoso titu ewo bambo ebiaye osi anji 11 tu na ebeboa pama security sector no womdwumadie atumi akoso ye pa kratafa etoso miensa ena interior minister akasa asemwe ewa anum sei na wo manyenye ayentakramwa poultry farmers wo mo ebo wo mo bo bisubo wo mo bo subo say adenti ena ase na sei na engogo yale ho no mo pa na so wo mo bo sa subo no nu wo mo bo abaso say wo ma yade na se wo ba petibiti ndonti ama wo go yale no ache pa bird flu no ache enta manansin ti no no petibiti no ayade pa na kratafa to sunum ena ode sa semwe eba batua no musi the business analyst ebika ho
nkokwa ya de ne de na so be so de na akokọ na kon no aye he ese okwa no abusua the daily statement Obokrata na mede eto aso na ese eno ano no ye de enu sia na basi no na krata yi na watch sense ma edika aboso finance minister esre Ghana force wo monye 11 no entumo na Ghana ntimi nkonkan na wasanso de atodwa wosoafo hwensase so wode ne foni abeto a watch so apiati won mehwe atoto ne ma se na be ya dan ya wombesi no na bibibiara be koso pepepe na chempe wonum nyina benya ne pepepe na perepere ye aye adwuma wo ho no mo na wasanso de abase ha ya watch so wode kwasi amoako ata road and highways minister Enfoni abetoa no wose o wo hwe Kufuado aban yi mu a MPP aban ya wono mo hwe atoto ne ma fa na kwan ne ade a ekoso nti akwanfon de asa bi nhye da eni ho no mo papa bia ensem wo ha na wo the first lady ma me Rebecca Ekufu enfoni abetoa no mo sei na wo che so ma me Rebecca Ekufu wadi dwumadi bi pa ye no no ye wo hwa o my mo first ladies a wodo wono wo ha ana se wa taxi wono mo nyina hwa atoto ne ma wo ho no the daily statement da obokrata na dem same way ani afoforo bi aba monten so anope
ye dey si
okay mudi si yan so de anya ne tie se wo kɔ Denchembo district a ono ho MC ana DC yes ne maame afim
oh anope ya
I would want to believe anope ya on bibisa nti honorable set brick crying nyankopon chichire wo mo were any the lost of their beloved mother. Okay, yabeto aso ofie ha na yede ni aka de akeka ho kama
na ya santa chensa to de duabo ankasa na abemu
yabo ho adua
omo bo party chairman any MC dua
so o ma ye dan
so mo mpene mo mo pick forms ni bi
na se forms na mate se yese Alan atoni nyina forms yese Alan atoni nyina
we mu de nu twem ka so mo se ayi party for no won so man to ama obo ebi mu so man to ama obo abrom de obo ba man to ama no anu nti won so mafia o mo wan mu sei
oh I see
and ye the more details beba on news
I see yes
dem peso aso no
dwaso mpotem ho no
dwaso
oh okay ene na yiri pa ukokede nso a ho nso yese yiri pa eye bloody but MP ho no mo kire se enye nokre anye bloody bia ewo mu se menteme ho ase bi sorry ye but anye bloody me no ka se nso abrantie bi e de asem no e court
kade dia no
yes
asema yesi anye hu no na obi de court
or the court ama court nso so e de tabono ato omo process na e koso ho nti forms odian yu ye de tabono ato so okokede a
de o de court no a politician
wono so kan ho ye so police station bibi
o
kan ho bi enti akire din anope bere se ebedi mu enkomo wo mo mpanimfo nso e de kokobɔ de akwa ama wo mo e bere se wo mo beti a bibi foforo ha mo betimi de abahweni ho de ne na ye jam kwan na
ye chetie fo de tifo ase amukwaso ntie
sa na akusia nso
no a
nso tie
peni dware ana edware ana nsu asa nti be ma akasa
nti akire din
nti yeko
yenko no nsuo no bi nchi
yeko no nsuo da nsuo no wai
nti nsuo no ho mo ba no nsuo
de ache wo se no nsuo yakasa
mo ba no nsuo ati ase mo ba no nsuo asem no credit e
yantu sabi no crab akope na ko se mama obi
ewe
mem ko yimro
Kuyibra. Okay. Enti Simano aduonu pepepe 50 minutes after 7 a.m. Asem no kura de yento sebe. Yet was so ha dwumade ne ye Maakye ne yegusu ayede ema mo no. Me no ka say ya ne tie say University Teachers Association of Ghana UTAG. Almost strike no. Almost twa sen say ye no kra say ye no kra ye hwe say yebekɔ ahoma no so na ye ne empanimfo akɔtwetwe nkomo ne ebiso omo se de ye tete no kure wom anase no kure bia enim eninti yeguso ye ne empanimfo ba twetwe nkomo sisi a asem no kure de ye nto sebi okay na ye free one mo so na yebekɔ akyem asene onim se akyem asene Methodist school no a ewo ball an nchen ho no park na no mo boso ball no ma force why ne ball no eho ye ne district chief executive DC yo ho atwetwe nkomo e ma oka kire yen se omo be yi de free omo be yi school no e de free ho age se omo yi kura de free ho kura dada but na nsan enya ne ntie se omo san man kola na ko back enti ba bia no omo wo no ye yi omo free ho ama omo san ko ball ano ho no a edan no ebu amene DC Ora Alex Nkum kasa ya okan say omo behwe na se nadmokura no beko akwa budozi saa edan na ɛwɔ hɔ no a no ma yɛhu biribi no manya ne ntiɛsɛ ama nkwalaa no JHS foɔ no ɔma san kɔ back to saa same building na okɔyɛ sɛ ne building ne teɛ ɛyɛ death trap na yet mpanimfoɔ sɛ ɛno a ɛna ɔmbɛma nkwalaa no kɔmu na ɛha adwen paa nti anɔpɛ yɛhwɛ sɛ ɛno nso so yɛbɛkɔ nyakwa kɔdi mu nkɔmmɔ ɛde ama mo wonim sɛ buffer stock mpanimfoɔ ɛnso so de abɛto mmɔnten so sɛ aban no ayi 155 million Ghana cedis sɛ yɛn disburse na shortage of enuane a heti senior high schools no ɔmo ntumi hwɛ kwan yɛn bɛfa so a ɔmo bɛyi ne nyinaa ɛde afiri hɔ asɛm no kora deɛ yɛn to sɛbe
asɛm no kora so yɛn to sɛbe
enti yɛatena se yɛatena se yi asɛm no kora bɛka nyinaa yɛn to sɛbe
asɛm no kora so yɛn to sɛbe
so ate aseɛ enti ɛnɛ asene mpanimfoɔ no bɛte yɛn ka yɛbɛkasa nso a yɛnto sɛbe because asɛm no kora deɛ yɛnto sɛbe
no kora yɛ baako pɛ no kora yɛ baako pɛ asɛm no kora so yɛnto sɛbe anaa de dan kɔ akufo ade wɔ so ɔba ma obiaa
oh mama Vic oh yeah too much oh yeah brutal anyways enti yɛhwɛ sɛ yɛbɛkɔ yɛ anim na yɛahyɛ yɛn nkɔmmɔ twetwe no ase pakyɛ wobɛtumi de wadwen kyerɛ deɛ aba 0594-841-044 0594-841-044 wode baa na yɛakenkan ne kama ɛde ama wo enti ebinom already ɛde ɔmo de ɛde aba enti yɛbɛhwɛ na yɛahyɛ ase akenkan bi de ama wɔ mo wobɛjoin ne yɛn wɔ Facebook ne AHENKAN933.3 FM we see a friend and come first study free achim ayire bi ni ena wode aba na minim se achim ayire bi ni waha ena minim se bi ni nso waha enti ono nko an no wa kyere mu na ne fa waha na I don't get it and come first also okay the radio sisi ade you tag mpani fo ate ase so mbekọ lecture halls no makakọ kyere ade yesra aban no se ontie wo mo na wo mo abisade no onye mfa ma wo animu ya se ne be ya ade asumdwe ede ebeba NPP polling station executive elections no so osre mo ma adwobrɛw emra happy marriage enkoma Daniel Owusu yawo amponsa doya ena afida kwa awo achim ayirebi enchi ankoma achimansa ena anya so tum NPP polling stations fo nyina ankoma for stade odi free achim ayirebi ede eba ye no sanso so ena we say ye friend no Ella Tieku or the free kwada so ena de ba no pay Ella say ye nyina anim say niam mu ayedin sisi ya na nya Ghana hankwampo ewiase afa na nyina na niam mu ayedin eni ntimunya abotrem fa mo mampani akufu ado na nhyehyɛ ahodo ogu so ɔhyehyɛ so de bɛboa ma Ghana fo nyina kon mu adwo mo no sɛ ani so ade hunu no ntumi emre mu moma ya nyi ntumi ne ntua to san sɛ yɛto ene yɛde kyekyere ɔman enchi ankoma Dr. Usu Afiri Akoto best replacement ya nanado ni hɔ a yebetimi ede no aba 2024 Ella Tieku ede odi free kwada so ede ba ye eno no inhraba Anelka enso di free Shaiman ene ode ba na ɔkyɛ sɛ ɔmo MPP fo a ɔmampani akufo ado edu amu anim no ɔmo ogide so ɔmampani akufo ado nka ye board wanko ye CR7 na kyɛ sɛ zero Dr. Bawomi anso so ɔno so ye unstoppable yesa wo stop na enye wo hwɛ nhyehyɛ ahodo di gu akwan so a ɛno na boa papa ama IMF ankankrofo bi so da yesenke yenko hɔ no no ade sempanifu ye de afiri hɔ no nti no ɔmo nya ne a ɔmo kyerɛ ya no mo de ɔmo pa ne IMF sanse wo ɔmo nim de ɛwɔ fem kakra okay ɔdenchia bi dia ba wo se nchia nkɔma chairman ɔde ne ho kwaku apia ye tai friend Coca Commander Prince Obin yetai friend no Garu inhraba na kadia ono so di free Ashaiman no pay ode ato adwumadie no so eno no bosheba mistin so di free Gosu Zango eno ode aba o chese eye patriotic voices o se yeba no National Development Party a NPP omo ye far better than NDC kura yeba na manyosemu so omo abene policies ye fa ngu akwan mu omo ye A1 enchankoma COP akwasi mensa duku or your retired Ashanti Regional Police Commander and a Kwabena Opon Frempon or Cheso your original China incoming National Treasurer Bosheba Amistin so dia wade e free e ye Gosu Zango ba ye no and a win so say NPP leaders no woman so you na sa menteme wase pinchin a ahumpo ni mu ewo eye internal elections ni bu no omo ampani ndedu agubra ni mu animu ya wanhwe ye de how kese na ede beba enchianko ma chairman Makiba asama kese na Robert awowo achim wanchi amwani ede free fita eno wasama kese na wodi ebaye nti we ye omo de fa eye WhatsApp edi ebaye omo so omo de edi afa Facebook na enche yebekọ ho no mo na yakenkan ne kama edi ama wo mu enyina enti mo amo ewo Facebook ni YouTube no adwa TikTok mo mna mehwe adwa TikTok sisi a yedi adwa TikTok edi to YouTube ena eye Facebook sisi a enti mo amuni ma adwa TikTok no mo mienko eye ahenkan 93.3 FM on Facebook ahenkan 93.3 FM ahenkan 93.3 FM mumien ko sisi ya ha enti adwa TikTok na na to ho no no honorable adwa safo na asa wodi ni ho nya saketwa wurade nyankopon adwa TikTok ose mo mfa mo Ghana na me nso menyimani obi to no nwom mo meyenyi yani enti adwa TikTok ena ono so wohwa asa wodi a kidi nwom a wodi di asa nya saketwa ena wodi ato ho enomo enti bato mo nyina mo ndwane esisi a momra yesa ni asapa ma media so wabra ye hia no amana ba be ye 11 so oba be boya me age atumu si anyi ntumu be he asapa wodi ewo eye YouTube ho ahenkan 93.3 FM ena Facebook no so ahenkan 93.3 FM adwa TikTok odi asapa oda so awoso enti mu amadwane ye ho no betumi ahwede ekọ yankwa homa ne so na ye ne honorable Alexander Kwadwo Ejare ono na wokọ kede abato mpesu aso a we mrahye bedwani honorable oti yankan no pay ahenkan FM so ni ya mo ache mpomoko
enya me ado me hoye
ye de radia sinti ena no ena ebeto dwa se internal elections NPP mo ahya ahoboa ase na ene na mo mframa se wokọ kwai bibre mu a hono na we mrahye bedwani a aye bloody o chese no kure bi anim sa ne te
enya no pra obi empra obi anya bi ni pa poli obi na eso a mo krofo be go be di etikra na m say yes ye ba be ti form pe fi memenda ekuti juada na se memenda no pa no nsia mo ko wi application e ba be gina party anim so mo ba be gu party ne mo ase ye dede se ye bu party office na ni nya ba office na ma na no mo ye enso ye ma police for ye na so bi ba ye ton form so e ma obi a so a wo ho bia enya bi so me no ka say no all the zones in constituency money yet on and then the crown points no and I'm saying national directive about yes and for the most and woman menyan yes regional rep no sign edium baba our the banswa the media houses what have me why I wear ba omo announce no be aware nya bibia nkofa it will be ankon obi empra obi antutu obi bi boni bia ankoso na when it say in Paboni for the Edu Bedia, Omnon Beso Gupati and Hunfin, and Kede Hunfin. The 1992, Obiante, today, constituency once and Bonibia, Nancophobia more than the DH said, of one Cassan for some contest to be no the bass, I saw Moncroft. A year big was a young farm in Shomons, and no more 20 Moncroft. And so the committee, ever hold my woman or more reforms. And once, it's good, but you know, not the young man, wow, contest the penny, well, lose, one was for the UDH, the young man, our check, but in my interest, and normally I'm a media, so look at the movie, and so get it as you view a half seminal.
Eti o kasa no kan se enkrofo bi na akwa petition and one more bear course him for no.
Nipa me ne contest dan one. Anko yama no no first one crofo ni ba begu ho no komo mo sika se omo bra no mo ma begu pass no anymore say apprenti omo friend ko finto sa ha ne ono ne no crofo na pamfo no ba begu ho no na wo akodu obi akọ election na sa anko yama wa na se party assembly committee so mo nche form so wo wa ba begu no se me jama me crofo wo jama on crofo wo crofo mo ne hifo ye the man pp for enye obi en crofo enye me crofo e yan pp for abo no betimi aye wa betimi don crop web so on betu atia and it will be gina so wo jama on crop for me nya bi na so wo ba be contact kwa wa enso ye ma police for
FM asumdue by me ton forms for edical zones ni nyina mu bia so nya bibia nya bi and the nyina isu nim say party to me nya forms so dasu ni pa nyina dasu party ma nyina eti de tie bia no ebi benya bi ebi nya bi se de na bi wo mu a wo fi mu ebi so ba ye no saa le beto aso eti so far no de se bibia boko okede
okay enti yate sa brantie bi nso de akọ court ama me no ka say court no so ayi njante no kre wo mu
sana brantie na ye na so bi brantie a want party so ye ne mra ase no de obetumi aya no no ni nyina nipa bonefo ene se chiri se o mu kede hu fu onia party no so ye chire se wo back constituency na se we nya bia for region o ko region we nya bia for national party na se na obetumi de party akọ court no na wakwa aso ko ti neck emma neck entumi a resolve wa sama ma answer na betumi akọ court na se wo wa kede ha no na se bi se bu kede krokitu ebi wa e fro ho kwae ha no no kura wo fa ka be wana wansa no we du kede kurum na se wo ba be du kede kurum na se wunya bi ne enkrofo show 2% Papa in court, won't be Papa in court. And I'm the regional chairman, won't be an encasaye, enter and say, the Minyabi, a chairman, the Promotomi, the Dibu region. Won't be for national, said national Minyabi, now better than the party at court. Omunim, na minimum the pay be a nimu, meaning I know of a lack of education, thought and party as there. Party a quo, a quo one is a woman, the Yajuma. And stand out the code the court, no. As I said, we're just all within avenues. So I say all authorities within the party. The structure in the home on one side of it. Maybe and it's name and about the day. Or the Baba put me for the name system and that's one way maybe the end about the day. Uncle region, the forms to know who in Yabia. Uncle region, Uncle GB, to a Yabia, Uncle national. If you have a course or something, you said between party and the party, and that's all kind MPP, your constitution now. Ubi who say and carry.
But ni odi akwa court no so a granted nia no wo hwe ani mu ne de what it means ne say enya dia processes no mo beto akoso bi mu on
enya no correct process no yes so enam support na nkasa nipa o tie gbo mu na nkasa no enna say bi won so nte party ne so ya so enya san ko be ka kire ne say won just say all we party structure answer no dia ba court party as a mode kwa de ka chewa ne say exhaust all party structure and nipa o tie gbo mu na say bi e court ketu wa work dey hanu and omatna mantia na omasho bibi and no intimate stop a national decision say ye police station election and intimate stop it ye person ya de pepe e kira sem bia ban so a party penny and one better
na honorable court dey say ketu ani ba bia o ana
meti afie e dipa na kasa wo de connect asom na fe e da so wo hwe asom na wo tro say what the intention to secretary and the chairman so share omonhwe na nsanka forms so what kind we na yes it any say what the to so say yento aba what the to secretary the chairman so do so body ni
oh okay
ewo mo say but the to am say omonhwe no mo mani bi it is what for yes I dey na ye the form send in paper it is a court intention and ye dey and ye juma e one on the personal interest and all the yes and the day may kind of say as a second was just say all the parties within before because a brow was a where Yabia bra region where you go region bra national I said when you go regional executive and now where say will be with Yabi when you and all the court work at it and I just say the public for the shop here swat here no be here grow we no but anybody do our tongue nunti na ma omususu ya nyina no wo a obeti bia na party bi mapabia no okanya obesere no akata da bi MPP party ntimi fa party no enkoko party no so san
I see
no asa na de ko no say wo de fa empanim ekukodu National Executive Council na omuku se ebi e hono man kwa amawa efo ansa na obetimi to na mo ebi akoko MPP prekupen fa court
okay
said the party enkoko
okay honorable ye jawa mo akona ansa kra na wakono obi ka se na polling station abato kra ekoto na court ni we nyina babai na ye kwakoto me na ba no dia kede mo kwa na mo ba
ye kede ye kopa ne nipa na wono no sebi ono trese wo de ye party de court no o yi nipa na wono ye nyina na ye party adwuma for some time now no wono aka se NDC adwuma e no no ya wo sorry wo radio station ya obo party na chi e ti se bi wo ye nipa wono wa fi ase wo party no meeting and Guasia no better Diama party no. Na me catch say Kede da Sujan and I so 1992 said that maybe can catch or no. As we drink one okay, they won't see Kede will news will be born in order. Be born in BNC nipa boni ni a wono what's in the party no. Na why na Jesus will be good party no. Any matter.
It as we speak there Kede boko.
Kede boko 50 member baby and it won't to ye and to Quincy ye nipa boni for a quarter to a walk of a party office. Omo cramponi and concoche and nam se makacho say pasu dia and say yes and ye mano. Yen ye no monkasa. Na yen caution of say omo yes adia na omo aboa and the party office in ye diska any chiaka and you be a japade. Nti omo mkoto to abo ekoye dede o crampo no yen konkochi will be a chesa suvie and ye talk de asuvie so have pepe.
Honorable, we are too much. Bibi ani abesan baby mu.
That's all.
Hey, Honorable Ejari. Asemu. Okay, nti yani Kede MP na ekasa ye no. Honorable Alexander Kwadwo Ejari na yede no atwetwe enkomo no. Me pacho obetimi de wadwen kire no so de aba. Ni akenkan de amamunti. Omo de aba o Facebook no me pacho yensan fa adwoa TikTok. And to YouTube no ni Facebook ni so kakra ma omo madwen yen wo Facebook ni YouTube me pacho mo momra AHENKAN933 FM YouTube ni Facebook ni so bon say adwoa TikTok ene asa wodi agina mu no obi a yehia no wo parliament ye penamana babaji levi atumu no mo hwe asa wodi yeah ni bibi na bone wa hwe aswala pa o si ewu ni Lifestyle Gucci o si please me eno a otonton ntoma e wo kuku se ne mano ye do ne pa we ne ba show boy o ma me tonton kuku ana otonton ntoma kuku sa keke enti momra AHENKAN933 FM yes sir adwoa TikTok onje oh my goodness we say your friend okwesi or the free asing amweni or hey live and what the aba yatiu Lifestyle chrono wasan baka no say big shout outs and confirm Jamaica squad ni nyina we show boy yatiu Eric Kwekubu edi ono so dia batententen o chese o ye patriotic voices bichem and ono di free no dia ba no chese asedanka awurade so wade competent president dia dom Ghana o mapani o ka no kre his excellency na adan Kwakufu ado wa ye dwuma papa na ni so ade hunu nyina so obetam Ghana dia konanim enitim bi nyina ye nta na chi se bam ye support nu se twire ni ontimi mo ama Ghana enkobo sha asase no so enchiankoma Alfred Asiedu o ye incoming a half and Pepe regional organizer we Eric Kwekubu edi a wade baye eno no Charles Richardo ono se Richardo taxi driver wutie wo live oboba we too much wate I was saying eye die nipa beka na wutie wo okay I was saying nya nipa beka na wutie koso a na bo adwumaden thank you na me yazimi to obi amanga we ye heli selasi no so dia ba say patriotic voices no so di free god so na de ba no che say NPP amunyuku no wo mo bon yipa wo mo ye dwuma nti Ghana fo mo nyina mo ntaw machi kama na enema nyina ntimi nko na nim kama enti adwa TikTok na mugusu amohwe no wo Facebook ni YouTube no wo pa adwa TikTok ahwe honorable Sarah adwa safo obehwe asa wodi agina mu aha no mo a wo se adwen wo dwen ye de ni levi woman chairman oh gracious me ye kuro mu ede pa e ba to mo ndwan ye na mo hwe kakra ye jai ni saa daso mo hwe kakra na fe ye ntoa ye nkomo twetwe no eso ye nyane ntie se UTAC empanimfo a call it off on strike opani ba ko kire se no kure bia nche de nim saa omugusu ame no ka say crunch meeting koso but so omo de beto abonten say omo strike omo calling it off and then am mframam omo kire so omo nso atibi but almost yen kankyere mu pain say no kure bia ni saa nsɛm na ne nam mframa say you tag call it off from strike no o se no kure bia nim o strike ne da so ginam a o ye strike no na ne obetimi aka kyerɛ yen ne sɛ o mo ye meeting ne de o se mprimprin a ye kasa yi o mo ginamu dendendenden o mo ye meeting but so o ma call it off strike ne de o se yen kankyere mu pain sɛ no kure bia nim ɛne nti no so ho asɛm ɛno no ye sɛ nka one ye twetwe nkomo o kyerɛ sɛ omo ye meeting into after meeting no whatever decision omo be conclude on no wo de no so ehun kyiremu de beba nti mu amadwene ya mo hwebie no mu bisa say ehwan na sa no honorable Sarah Adwoasafo oye dom kwabenya member of parliament MP edema dom kwabenya ene say odiki de nwoma hyehyɛ so a asa wo die ne nya saketwa mu na mo buli 11 odi onwene ho kitikitikiti sei kura apia yi no kro de aba no che say Ghana politics mimia obo adwuma de Nyankopon unhyira wo ne adwumaden a wobo entia nkoma me lovely mom me maami a me dono owo achim betna se me hwem live e di free odan quarters apia Enoch de a wono so e de aba no enti ni ogusu edi asa no se munnimu a e maami Sarah Adwoasafo a nhwe ne kakra odi asa pa nua wodwen ti Ghana say 11 I don't need the idea. Oh my goodness. Ghana ede pa. Ghana ede. Ghana e kama. Biya ye. Ghana. Imu de. Dr. Babazamu, Master Planner Junior Kentampono, no so di about say 2 things. Ena NDC for isuru. Bako Dr. Bawumia mienu. E-levy and into no more de omoye no Ghana for mamunti omo kra enchia nkoma Dr. China incoming national treasurer and Dr. Babazamu say o chia no ene ano pay and anu na ye bon komo ka kire wo say okọ food buffer stock a enuane wo hono no short no mo fo say ye di agro emprepre ya me no kasa yi ya de ampanimfo kire se omo yi sika be 155 million Ghana cedis say yemfa enko schools no senior high schools no conference of heads of assisted secondary schools CHAS empanimfo de beto aban nanim se oba wo mo hono mo a ya de a enuane nkonwa ene mpa ho ayedin wo ho eni timpanimfo nhwe na omunye bibi mfamfa ho bepem nei na mpanimfo nye hwe until enra ena beto dwa sese wokọ savlugu oni e savlugu savlugu yesa beto dwa se adesuafo na wo ho no mo kire se aduane e de ama wo so munni no aduane no aye spa enu nti omo ye se omo nkonkotena ase wo classroom kura na mpanimfo anya akukudura betena ase se omo kire omade aden a makudidi aba omo kire se aduane ne nya papa nti omo etu ohugu monte so ye kire ye hwese yensa ebeka opania ono na okasa edema Ministry of Education abedi akiri na yaje wo mo so nhyehyɛ ya horo mo di gu akwan mu se ne be ya ne ye tete se food shortage ahete senior high schools ahodo no nhyehyɛ ya mo di gu akwan mu na omo de solve this issue nyina nti yeguso ye hwese yensa be kan wo mo ne no mabɔ nkomo na yebisa se planting for food and jobs no na e de enim senka planting for food and jobs no ba beboa etinka omo krampokura ne be supply buffer stock for nuane nanka atumi aboa yenim senka this shortage ne de enka nya de a ye bete but yate enhyehyɛ ye ben na mpanimfo nso so wo mo de afa ho debia ye ta kasa no kra ba akopɛ but enam se mumu bebre no a no kra mo mpɛ mo no kra bonsan hu se hwim enti se wo hu so obi ka no kra no ada no tamfo hu so obi ka no kra no ada no tamfo but no kra ba akopɛ so ati ase yenko na yene deputy PRO edema Ministry of education and kɔhwehwe nkɔmɔ owura Ernest Akosa owura wote nka AHENKAN FM suni ya me wache mpo mbɔkɔ
When Obama made that say, you will be out so.
Enti na no na beto monten so say food shortage aheti senior high schools ahodo no Ministry of Education mo ya we
Well, but I in Kenya Diama of education na me din sake sen so ma to for ma ya adre echi o fidi na the mechanic okay food shortage na for now officially no complain be about Ministry of Education. As a boy, I know speculation, and I say, yeah, false news, maybe no episode was spread. Because we academic year, no, I think it started 2022 academic year. Now, last week, Minister for Education, and your question here, heads up. A second cycle institutions, you know, would be to the new directive, quite a person, and the supply side, you know, and the my respective schools, you know. And we know some media reportage, now it's a bit uncertain as to say the validity of the information about because no school has complained. Officially to GS, neither buffer stocks or more are running out of stock. In any case, the school being poor and running out of stock. The first point of call, regional buffer stock. The regional buffer stock can also be placed order. Our national, and I say supplier, and notify. Be our own supply, right? And I say Gary, and I say work, and I need school be a pentacali, Pukuali, and I say your senior high school or more shortly with now and we can normally come on. When I about it, it's a bit contradictory, but you know, consider area to familiar yourself with school be a more right, and I did this as son of the court supply.
Okay. Enti yenyan ntia kra se buffer stock Ghana buying ayi is it 155 and now 133 million Ghana cedis?
Well, I share and now buying advances more than 60 million Ghana cedis. Yeah, more than 60 million Ghana cedis. And no, I can share for intervention schools and also perishables. 30% a co-headmasters, you know, the top, which is onion and I say tomatoes, perishables. Generally, 30%, you know, straight away, and not GS advances can have a schools on nice a hit home account. But 70%, which is a Gary, jam, maize, sugar, mackerel, and it's no money there. And 70%, you know, suppliers now or money buffer stock or contracts, you know. And I said when a school is here, now or the combat. Some of the shortages now are yet, you know, a boy artificial. Artificial in the sense that we are school no supply really normal about commerce, so you need to be a very normal. The only thing that very normal say they are definitely no be a supply and it was said so I know the normal could body. Look at the distance. You know, we have that inconvenience we should create too much supply now. This outside artificial supply is never but under normal circumstances there the beer cost one school be and this and the buffer stock, regional repo, because schools in also a war or regional buffer stock managers no number. And we sound national. To be they call it to place another.
I see. And last week, and minister on the conference of heads of assisted secondary schools, Ekoko Shiaye, raise issues Mako miensa bako, chirese enuane no ya na enoso enkonya eno so ho ensama bibie ho enam pa adesuafo rankasa nso beda so minister J Penny se ombehwe no ma bibie afa ho eno so update ya wo mu ne sen
well it's now training to run our and deployment say yeah well we take delivery of maybe away 500 days and I say na being na swa minister massa assurance no ejina school sa o say you are finna see classroom block and be a 6 classroom block and 12 classroom block and no ma assurance say sa schools no I said money we are no the furniture echo and then sign base and crane be issue say yeah ma there's the make and boys don't make it and we should be using and no be o ma assurance now FPM or more agency or more Ministry of Education or more reps no work which now say o come say Anglican nti ɔmo take inventory of every school ne needs biara nti ɛnumani no negotiation na sɛ kita ho ɛkɔ so a ɛnkyɛ saa schools na ɔmo dwuma ne saa nɔɔma no nyinaa legitimately ne nyinaa no aban bɛ supply o.
Enti sɛ yɛbisa sɛ sisi a no senior high school twefa ne bo enuane koraa ebibia wɔ hɔ nkomi bia ne sɛ mo kasa fe na mo hwɛ sɛ mo beteki inventories ne ɛka ho yi ɛne ti senior high school na sɛ break kakra woni sɛ nipa no bɛyɛ adwen wɔn.
Oh, and I think I'm an answer. It's more than an answer because of a by commitment to secondary education. About 30% of budget allocation is going to education ministry. That tells you Albania committed in terms of infrastructure, in terms of teacher development, in terms of other logistics. And the additional contract. It's a free senior high school that comes to see and are buying also a committed say resources via also Masha Diano, Masha na Yatinabwa, the intended purposes of free senior high education to me, I realize it.
I see. Dia ye di hun komo na fe ye jawa mo akokra Savligu Endrania esiye was senior high school ni mu ankwala yi kire se aduane ade ma wo na nya papa 2 as assigned IS per Ministry of Education. Sasemi officially mate ho asem ana mo so here say ye bi ni mate.
Well, then you have their reports and na o sha don't necessarily say mo say aduane no nyo. O mo say aduane ko e fa so mu ano. Akwa e fa so mu ano mo fi say o mo no ani. Just to say aduane no ko different and altogether. And I am here the location after the school ward and many one school decided with a buffer stock. Say you can't meet the aspiration of every single student. Every own or individual differences. Not say different taste and preferences. We do how we be right in there. Maybe a child said anyway, and I said child said you right. But who is say, oh, I said fatigue just it's become more monotonous. And it was not a garden is another variety view. No complaints me now by addressing in
Inti momo mati bi won.
Oh, you're not complaints maybe. So wow, you're quite you're Diani inquire, you're many lessons. You're Diani be definitely no. Make sure no every follow say okay, they said I'm only in trust. Na yinya that supply we are na yetinya balance by jinama. And these are sort of things that don't expect the system to be 100%. They could be challenges, but challenges are how do you address them as early as possible. The ministry by a new GS, by GS number faster, rather than the near complaint and they are stepping in. Now they rectify that issue.
Inti Savlugu DA particularly no abamu enimu amashe mo hwehwe mu ase.
No, for now, the ministry did no official complaint. But if you're looking at you are dealing with more than 600 schools. 600 schools, now one school is complaining. Now, you can't use it as a yardstick and generalize. So there's a shortage. And I said, you are near demand of the best order, and I say, continue all the nutrients here. But I know, and then you can't answer. I'm going to be a YouTuber, you say complain this abana. You're better addressing it as early as possible.
Okay. Finally, now for you now, Nekokra. Yeah, more for you, feel on what senior high school. One more social share, no senate, yeah.
Well, I'm sure the bear now, and CSSPS. Share, almost Corano, why can you results now? I'm going to play some more schools in Corano as selective, and also you can't choose here. And say, almost check it online. So, what 3 avenues? The 3 avenues in Corano and check it. SMS, book SMS, CSSPS, SMS, parents, and I said guardians, and so we go through. If you are Corano, the rules spell it, and the 6 be up them, and I say, Impono, or your Bema, there are schools no choosing, and a mass schools in Kwana, a derivation, and Napoleon by, and so short code and so on online. So 3 processes in Corano first, so we check it out correction, verify and confirm, say indeed information are provided, your authentic. Say you pursue school you want to say oh look around to see but and no when you was say overseas some school now was selected and then there was really just the correction of errors and I said mistakes now are making error interpretation of some information or error machine on us, so I change for the jail information in and you know, we say, Busumi and quite a year crown or more resource and why it be easy. I'm going to be sure CSSPS, the needful now about Shakra, BR or school, which you see. And it's not 100%, it's not casting stones say, I could have your school choosing and depending on grace I'll be there. Because who are open to the private college, for who are in commercial high school, and I say, Francis, and vacancy only 1,006. 1,006 is no 5,000 issues will be only 6 hours. It's virtually impossible to admit exit single students now or choose you on. They are variations better. And you know, Caribbean also said they should continue to bear with us. Well, why it came to and more said when we are using resources not with our CSSPS. So please you.
Enti na ye bisa se bosome ben potin pan wo mo be ko school anu ye ni be sen.
We patch 4th of April. 4th of April and provisional ministry energy timetable provisional in the 4th of April because the month of March there's a Ukrainian school be at the distance and then your money day status or severe boarding. These are sort of things that the CSSPS command centers and they deal with. So by 4th of April there then Corona beginning of new academic year or first year.
Okay. Yerama yenasi anope. Inti yene deputy PRO at the Ministry of Education Yera Ernest Akosa ena ekotwetwe enkomo some 28 minutes after 8 a.m. me pacho jumedi agusu awutie ne Maakye yebetoa so na ye de ensem ne bi de akeka ho de ama wo enunti on the food shortage ababeto dwasa hit some senior high schools ewo Ghana ha no eno ho nkomo eni akwakwa kwotwetwe no ma yemfa seda enkoma ahenkan sounds o se o di dwumadie bi ena dwumadie no awudie no wubehia sound system ebeboa wo ama onwumadie na timi akokama kama paade a ahenkan sounds ena mekanfo edi ama wedding engagement outdooring graduation funeral float ana political rallies bi ena mu edie mo per machines die edi se adwuma no 0543 350934 0543 350934 o fresh a number no ebetwetwe nkomo ewo akire ho enomo na sisia de edansie a abaso yi se wubesi bi na wanya cement papa na te o ye aha wo ho o ye apa asem de ama ho pa enti unisem cement ena no pay o sem nkamfo emfa ema wo unisem cement pe ena se oba yen ho no mu a ye wo eye cement bag no ye wo paper mu ena ewo de ye wo rubber mu nti ye wo paper cement ena ye wo sack cement kama na oba ye benya abotre ne akirekire mu ye bebisa wo se cement no ye wo ne ye di eye plastering ye wo ne ye di eto block ye wo ne ye di etwa ofrene sen concrete pillars ene ne keke ho ye be kirekire ni nyina na sa ade yi a Unisem Cement Ghana Limited wo mu di hu dwuma na abotre nti yese ye pe main distributor ewo dan ne mpotamu onipa ba ko pe ene yenya no eye Samiche Enterprise ono ene yenya nje samo kwa akire no etwendi ntia ose Samiche na oseme nka nkire omo etie mi wo mpotamu ha nyina aboabo ofuase ayirebi ne mpotemu nyina se bra amantra wache junction new story building na ye Dukes filling station edien nhwanimu no wo ba yen ho no mo a eyade se oba behunu eye Samiche Enterprise ewo ho na nkomo bia aka bia no ne yedi maka tro se oba yen ho no mo no a ye won krofo mu abotro mbe kirikiri mu we di twa blocks we die we obekirikiri ni nyina kama enti ya no wa hye ne nso e de ma me nkodi nkomo we mra me ba me inform number emfa ema ye ko na ye ni yira Ben Addison akotwetwe enkomo Floating Voters Association omo de nsem bia betudwa omo nso so ye ko akwaje o madwen che dia for omo nsem omo dia betudwa no ho yewra wote yenka ayenka na fam sunie yamo a chempo makode
Nyamiado, Michia will be a so dear.
Obi bia nso eje so papa nti mama enya ne say NDC ne MPP system wa ye operate wa Ghana ha no. Nya dia e boa yen nti ye nyae na yen konkofa party ben.
Yo me da say no kre say ye dia sama to abonti aye ka say Ghana deserves better than NDC MPP. Na ni nti aye ka sa ene say oman na ye wom no say ye fa kebi mamin kebi amemu na ye wom from 1992 Obuoba say NDC ni MPP nkwana aba bem party fufu bia be frame be sinde na ohwe omuni ye ne de wa omu eruli omaina Obuoba say nyoma bebre atosi hwe gold sa ye wo ye minerals bebre ye wo gold ye wo diamond ye wo timber ye wo bauxite ye wo manganese ye wo a lot of resources na media sha omai. But because of improper management, wow, enu na ma omai no me bibia aye basa wo man. Na no levy hu sem ye bai. He say ana omo ekuntokwa of parliament. We realize say parliamentarians no representing omo to aba omo biu. Na mum they are representing their partisan interests. Our parliament ho. And then people na wa be project be brave. We say project be promotion. Ochina Obuoba say party for ba NDC ba no majai project ni na egurem. Zana NDC suba no be project MPP ba no so ajai project ni na project no mo ye no mo bottom scan no mo di taxpayers money no mo di project now so because of partisan interest in no Obia pese onya glory in fame in front of the Ghanaian people. And no majai ejuma no bebre aye yato. Wow, now so omainan kasa enye ohiamai. Now so ende ya be ohiamai. And na ye kase tie yomu mienu tu nchen a omain bekoyi and omainan kasa deserve better than these two parties.
Omine deserve better than these two parties. I mean, you say before God a man, a NDC or NPP. Now, see any third force biano. Na ye anything.
May I say, one say, NDC and NPP no. You know, none why. So, Oma read with the weak points. Say, so that now officer, acha 8 years or qua. 8 years it's your best back. So, you know, I'm more take here for granted. Parties in Kitwana, more a war now, or say, almost a common boom, a formated force. Almost almost parochial interests. I almost decided with these two big parties. And no, I'm to me, not third force in the country, a bit me a competition. Now, the woman say, and yet third force in here. At this moment, Nehan said, the National Development Plan for Omino. Let's say be a 50 years plan. Into Omino, I want to share or the ato. Into the party way back, Omino Shishano and Obuoba Bidisho. Young finance India from 2024 to 2032. That's your bebano. Omino Kasa Yemi share to project I see Omino Kasa Nisho. Into Oba. Who be faithful ha na why you win o mine nan kasa be chew dia wonye into no we yes baby with term of office ne India ni obeba be no so be faithful ho ato aso into ye call sana ye afi partisan manifestos no embe mu biom wow because as at now me ne work aside this country is run with partisan manifestos obi aba na obeka ne obemeye me ba me maybe no don't some ba yes anyama. It is a national development plan na at the obeba bemubia edi enu nebe ye juma. I think say ebe ma ye development akon kaya mai.
Enu no bi kure ka say wo ba Ghana ha na wo hwe yen settings na anka ye wo national development planning e wo ho. Enya de ye adwuma Omoba, Omuna, Dom Sabanana ho a. Inti say yaka say Ghana for ye na kan bom ni yesi ni nyina to je MPP ni NDC yara because ya fa say be a party fufu bi kura sore say oba den MPP ni NDC for ya na oba appoint wo mo inti ugidi yie pa say ye problem no ye hunu na ye hunu solution ya wo se de man de
oh say ansana e bet me di bibia aye djuma wo krom I just say ye na sembra I just say for parliament mani be yembra into no national development plan na make no I just say the two aban nim na omuji tum eye nembra into say be yembra afi party bi obeba no onim say yembra emra wo say nhihye we na oman ni dia to into wo be diso when diso a wetiamra into no I just say the two men no omuji tum ebe ye nembra so am be yembra dia Buga say ya ne ya kon.
Oh, okay.
And MPP ni NDC no oma dominate a form to the extent say it is hard to convince a lot of people because of party colors no. But the immediate to Ghana for enim anopay say ye fire party colors in tunche. Na always no the put Ghana first. In every national issue, I think say no never boy.
Okay, I think that point is well made. Young Hopi said Ghana for a tea, ya de be Juma, na to me aboa mo man to me akuna ni man pay that se bibia ne ebesaba.
Yo miss me that once,
Nyami sha won so papa nti ye ni era Ben Addison ono convener at the Floating Voters Association of Ghana. And that also brings us to some 38 minutes after 8 a.m. Still live on your family favorite radio station, AHENKAN933.3 FM. And it's Yekodi Sanko, and I'm Gusua, Dream Unisem Cement Ghana Limited, Womu main distributor. Woman so Eden Waba, Yampotem Hanomoa, Waji Cement, no, and any of this cement, no. Di dwuma pa nkrofo kokoto ebi di sidan ebi di ye niam ahuru bebre no a o abotere wo ho a o kirechire mu de ekire nkrofo na ono ene samche enterprise na Samche Enterprise e wa Mantra Wachi Junction New Story Building, our new Dukes Filling Station, no, and a eating anymore. Oh, you're missing now. Would you be back? Yes, Samche Enterprise. Nase or beto cement 50 bags and above. Edekwa Ubenyache dear 0243 58190 0243 5839190 0243 58 3190. Samche Enterprise ena omoye Unisem Cement Ghana Limited main distributor ewo achim odan ene ne mpotemo and into cement papa de sit down dia e ho no mo na make am for e ma okay Asenso Limited say a swinging wheel office chairs, quality wooden chairs, authentic bookshelves na wopa wo mo ho na make am for dia ma circular dabraka of Iran Clinic Kaneshi yewo Flamingo Road, Zango Junction. Wha I know my friend was 0302 257209 0302 919 739. Chaos and Limited, no, I also say home of quality office chairs and bookshelves. Fix herbal, semen can't say. A malaria na etete wo, ana a diabe na etete wo. A fix herbal ena me kamfo womundru papa wo dia bedwaso no e de ma wo eni titi se mala mixture eno ye malaria mixture onomo a ebeboa na atreat malaria bi a etete wo odum se malaria echewo a aduane kra nya ode udidi kakra bi a na ase wa min ase wo min wa bibie wo ho ba se bi no mala mixture na beboa ti wanu ma wetimi adidi asipia sita ubenya ahoden e de aye adwuma ye bibia wo ye eye fix mala mixture no na make am for e de ama wo tipaye honam dua ne tutu oya wo kɔ niema tetimu ni nyina ɛyɛ mala mixture no o ebia na wo skin ne te sɛ me entontom te sɛ entontom be hum from akra fa me body ne so na manya malaria debia wo sɛ o mala mixture no ɛwɔ wo nkyɛn san sɛ ɛbɛboa wo paa ɛno akyi no yɛsan ɛwɔ man capsules fix man capsules no so dwuma edi poten paa ne sɛ ɛboa ma mɛma ɛnigye ɛboa esiesie aware fixe aware abubu fix man capsules ɛna edi sɛ adwuma no nyinaa ɛne nti sɛ woyɛ bɛma wawade adwonkolize na sɛ wopɛ sɛ yɛ fixe aware no yɛ atɔ nsuom wotu ani ɛntɔ bi anim ɛmfa nkɔhyɛ ahum ne aham ɛmfa nkɔhyɛ bɛye ɛnyɛ obi ya na ɛyɛ bra bɛgye fix man ne bi na yɛn fix wɔ haw no ɛmfa ma ɛyɛ haw oba fix herbal a yɛbɛma fix man capsules ne bi na wa fix ne kama san sɛ ɛno ne gyirikagiri dima yawo ne dima kum ɔmo nyinaa mu wirampem asiedu no fix man capsules ɛyɛ de wa ma wo nsanka bi Niama bobɔ so nyina wo pɛ bi afo ani kyerɛ mu akyem odan wo mu main distributor ne boat chemicals main lorry station no obeba bi a ton enkokɔ no abrosana se ho frɛ ejabo to 0205 885000 0205 885000 Oko Ochini Ba Drugstore Amwafo Pharmacy War Green Pharmacy Chumesi Drugstore Kennedy Drugstore omu nyina wachem odan onsa beka bi Frewomo atran ekasi mu no e was 0208 44 42 0208 44 42 and a 0302 902071 0302902071 Fix Herbal omobejo so na nkomo aka nyina matimi edi yenko na yene nana yawo kran ntwibu asiako enkotwetwe enkomo no eno ye executive director of the Alliance for Sustainable Development and Participatory Democracy nana oti yenka ahenkan asuni wada roma ya san amwakwa aba umpumoko
na ho ya pa yesu adaoma ya nyon yen bobo
afi enkometu ye nyina nti nkuntabuo bi ankofo bi abu abeto monten so ne se corruption emom ehu ohu echen se emimfo atutrafo aye from terrorist omo ebeje oman bi aboso ye ba na mamuo ani mu nchechire mu nso a wo no wabene no kure wo musa
yo the thing I met here I can from a chief for na Maakye mutima most I mean yeah on the Bible say the love of money is the root of evil na e just we will be a one domestic and the body be created ever terrorism me said you be certain what too many gunia bi why na what say what too many do the negra address on corruption one I say corruption no e di name bebre but e hu change di e go na dey for how every of mine the ntituafo bi be sorry and to pattern be about mine mu ana say tiachizo bi be sorry a dudu na di na corruption so what na show be o mine ko say o mine sika semi enkofo bi abobo sika na o mu nko enjoy e bi ni mu so fa na o ma sorry the corruption ya dey I mean ya e hu change bi ya corruption e hu change bi ya corruption e so te ana e free as a thingwa and ka say o how na man near terrorism ne could be time on me adia ekosi no and ke be fi wako say be amanfo ko nko adwuma o mo reso ni adwuma strike ni adia ekosi ni na ndodo na adwuma corruption so because obi di kind no oh the corruption is very broad say so obi kura de e fatal say o de man no one farmer what is corruption so obi qualify for adwuma bi na adia man is corruption and I know what a ticket where abodi a yaba interview ba wahwe nepotism favoritism mu afa kon bi so afa obi ni na no trans up to the corrupt practices that also in our part of the world and the corruption there you ma kan me for so
o for so corruption ye firi ne tena Ghana ha enye ne ya kan ho asem aka kan is it that ye nya anu aduro ana enipa no a eye no omo an omo say atwa omo ho be complain
Dominion, okay, for excellence in the Ghana put na dinani ko subone. What can send you say corruption no any entena have from Adam Epenso. So, and okay, corruption the account as he's watching. Neighbor mu adie bia wo bia yetime to so yetime si ano kwan sabe ebo focus en kwana buche corruption ni ho ti ba bia ekoso na question ye bi sa na say the corrupt practices koso wo amanone a nipa a wo mo che wo mo no nipa o me involve kwan be na ye de wo mo fa so te o kwan papa bi wo ho a ye di nipa a ye na wo mo ye che wo mo say o mo ye involve in corrupt practices de wo mo fa so nke be ma a minimize e so beti adru point something na sabe you yet remember because I have a corrupt-free country. Auditor General report whatever. Dear me, I don't know if you will be you do a mind secretary and a car as an auditor general or sending any power working under him auditors throughout the nation or more the audit report to back a indicted amount for so much minor chrono. Now the question pass here and find the place in Yakin Vaneri. So, it's no leadership also. Yama yen yes suffer the people a leadership. Because the children ya adirina ye lucky leadership. Ye Ghana hanaba you operating from the high power distance leadership. So one more so no or more omni from you mukepa. Now there be a there's a difference between leadership and power. Politicians here, our Ghana, no more back on the Mudu no. Think I saw me now. Baby, no to me, no more pay. Then yes, some person would be and kind. Who say what? Say would be animal kind. And it's a who pay to me. 2 minutes, yes, a winner, the other year, and it's a open set. Which in resources, a Japan, your control, Yamania, Yamabe. But will be a person you can defend the lady and say, oh, what I wish, and so, Mon Camera, or money in a medium, one more. You will visit. It's my uncle do Sabia. And yes, I tell my move. So, politicians, no, Ankasan are corrupt. Politicians are corrupt. Don't want to mean because of reports about one thing. Many of my comments you make it. We are thinking about you who have your cocoa. You who have your cocoa. And this year, corruption ever from the meaning we need leadership. And what here now will be a member when a political leader. So, person not to about manager, but what bad will you be a where you're nationalist or my ethniano will be a war pegging, then will only pay a winner. So, how may I see me uncle for what my when you do? What can you see? I got someone on TV, man. Your mention who said more about politician. When you the party opposition, when you say, when I'm what's the answer, oh man, the party very far. Party not far, obedi. Just come through the country, who's uncle for the brain as my politics. When I say that. And challenge the cashier in the power, my said, most of our leaders, politicians, do one, especially why I'm moving a month one. Do one and a man to be a school year, a year, national service, 31 times on Bobo or mobile company, who are more appointment, and they become leaders, chief executives, board chair, no me. They lack experience. They lack experience. And the air force woman, leadership. And I say, we are suffering from leadership failure. And no amount of mind by the way you walk. If you hear leaders on measure, so okay, you are running so by there's not the poverty and accountability. What's our seven for no? Ghana for you now, go say, and the young junior Jesus, me, I understand you with the corruption of mine, and you will be about ever the GA. And so, no, local United States, the people around him were corrupt. Now they were losing the power to even prosecute people. Now, what they answer. And to say a best sort of money, may leadership beer, a best sort of corruption, no, you cover the now, you ever call you a was your constitution, as your review constitution, 2 minutes ago, centered around the executive. It is a corrupt practice, the cost from incorporated area for near. Some you attorney general, appointed no. Some police in Pano, one appointed no. So, editor general. I want to be and no can be an corruption or corruption. It is an independent institutions being so about why I'm a corruption of a familiar.
Say, yes, sister, me, I polarize. Minumi Nina Yinim Dada. And I said, ya want so all can we not just say clearly, no, yen leaders are failing. It is a leaders are failing, yen system on so failing. Why pa? And our car or a need us all.
I mean, wo Ghana ni, and me no, and a Ghana ni that. I was here now, a committee I wanted to be here, you know. I was here, so we need transformation. We need to transform. I was here, yes, I didn't be here, you know. Yankasiya, why you want, or mine and cover the So, I was here, sorry, waka. Yes, for manager and the Makati party and the man. The Americans are committed to the development of the country. But there will be an area against it. We are not going to condone crop practices. Yeah, you the minute you guys are any man. So, and a system of education, because school there is nothing national as a wishing. Because I'm not a coach to soccer. Yeah, I assassin in that area of Pabia too. Yet, let me be a room. And now, Casacret and crowd was in the national anthem of Musica. Credit was in the Timica. And you see a system, educational system, national. You redefine it. And you have quite hard Ghana educational policy. Your policies are different. You have proper situational analysis. You have foreign made educational. You are being imposed on the country. So, and you have last is the way. You have situational analysis. Now, you have transmission of minus 6%. You have me and fan tour will be about no addition. You institution, the young reinforcing institution, you might be independent. Name and shaming, the Sabi, will be crap for this cow money at Tenwa. Tiny partners and Sabio, Micromo, a just one and will free, catch my boy and will free. Oh, I'm not calling up your community work or the said report you this is that. My man, I'm not in a fashion. When your community work, what will get a year? You might hear chairman for guys, you come back. Sunday morning, I make deter amount for other, so to deter and reform people. A better reforming if I were side, and then deter other people from repeating that act. Young Congress, and leadership was a strong leadership, leadership for a forthright, leadership for any money conscious, leadership for unfair wealth. Not being said and said, you'll bring your yes, you'll bring your article. Never would get in part a year, meaning I wouldn't go anywhere.
Enti sa change ya woka ho asemi, where do we start from? Ehemfa ene enkonko sha CMF ansana nya ye hwehwe yen sabeka because enipa ya ye kasa kire obi omo ana omo MPP ni NDC members yi omo ana MPP ni NDC omo follow no blindly. Enti ya ne den
mini MPP ni NDC dia fa na ekuman yo MPP ni NDC no ofanya na de ya holistic analysis na even regime to be abako this even they perform better than MPP ni NDC some brasa akwen to perform MPP ni NDC here go go na say tin kwa MPP for press ho your NDC press ho and now ko me bia mu a politics but yeah even fan ye ko asoman I was saying Ghana for you trying to be said these politicians are not helping us. Now you're punishing women. When I talk about punishing politicians, they can't take us for granted. That by Eba, they wish Australia and Ghana, young Tobantiano. About Biba, the wish Australia and Ghana, young Tobant, Africa will give 4 years for Uncle Fie. When they begin to see, say, when MP is not performing, Uncle Fie, where you buy president, or back one performing, Uncle Fie, no, with a Ghana for, and no parties in the country. Now, Yankas have personal development and national development in the country here. They won't take us for granted. They will change as a people. Their constitution, you don't use that constitution. Apart from you, we are made to buy when you are social Kobeya Sadiano. I went to Yana, one of it tonight. Meaning, I saw the Yampania. Should be a constitution in the man when you're ready to be a vessel with them. It's the seen and that way. The year she ever to assemblyman for Swaba, I ever to MC Swaba. And now I'm going to see the other. I was here, you parties for no man contest. And now the corner. At the corner, no individual, be a person of contest in Viana. One contest as an independent, as an ordinary Ghanaian. I open DC, and the MPP, and the NDC, the Momo. So that we get people who will be ready to work for the country and work for the people, and not people who are ready to work for party. Yes, you will say, you power leadership. All over Ghana, they are working for parties and not for country. And look at who be and Amaye Breno. And to see a Benham conform, we are working for country and not political parties. We should forget about development as a people. So until your constitution constitution ya dia adwuma wo ho constitution adwuma kese ya pa wo ho e was a review constitution no because constitutional review ya ni no so to years ya kan ya to because the leadership no a better responsibility will be a better one say you say ya that's why I say I was sorry radio station any yan school mu no me ade ye book sam kwa ya disha say ya tsano e ma manfo te politics ya se kakra said ya be ya nipa na kwa akoto agbo hu aba but sabi you America boys na woni ade any Republican and Democrat na all and they do ba bia how go to sorry ya to te because you say the nation is not going the way ya you na person ye ko so that you know there was a human bebree as a people there was human bebree
there was a human bebree yera ma ya na asibibia ni ebesan ba biem
me da ti o me ni sure
enti ya ne nana yawo entwi kran buesi akon wono ene wo ye executive director adema Alliance for Sustainable Development and Participatory Democracy ene ye ne ko twetwe enkomo no me pa chaw se wo hwe wo mre no a sima no aduonum enwotwe ena aba pa anopa no nwotwe ho na ene ewo Akwaba Drive eso no Ankla to ade a Ankla to be ebeba show ni so live worship ena Ankla to ene oba beka kwaku Nkroma Frekas ho na omode abrewo nti ya no watie bi Ankla to so o feel ni pa Ankla to na nwom ye kama pa ene obeba Akwaba Drive so no aba beka kwaku Nkroma ho na omode live worship papa edi abrewo nti ya no watie bi Akwaba Drive no miensa pepepepepe na ashasi a ene Ankla to nyame mre ni mere papa ema wenyi mri obi nizo mekera reprehwehwe nyame minim de mere pa beba enu ti menya sorry anopei mitu mikika me hui techre mada bodwem mojaridi efrusani mese mekera de ene radia yo original man beba entia no wati no miensa kopim no nsia ene Ankla to bekan ho na ya sorry otiasefo nyankopon no ye voice ne de kasa ono de ne to dwom nti oba no wati bi no miensa kwaku Nkroma Frekas betena se na one Ankla to edi dwumedie ne de abrɛ me pa cho tiwe ma ye ba ye to aso.
Hey, ODI Electronics. Mama yehu se mu woniama papa. Wow! Ne nyoma ben ne edi eni ehunti a ye ni agye sa no.
Refrigerators, deep freezers,
beautiful
irons, microwaves, blenders, gas cookers, kettles, rice cookers,
that's right.
TV, washing machines, and anyama hodra you use wo fie ni na.
That's dramatic. Seeing is believing. Where the wadi tioma ye ni nyaw. Chese upe home appliances. Edi abodwuma efie ni bebia. ODI Electronics ena abeko anameboa.
Aini. Wodi ye frenya wa homa show for ye so 0550 900 600
0550 900 600. Adishmama na die dekra ni say emfa oni bebia wo. Wodi anso be frɛ 0550 900 600. Bebia obia no ye be deliver edi amount. ODI Electronics yaba say ye TV, fridge, gas cooker, kettle, anase microwave. Adie bi me mama fie ye de na ho so ye de no. Ye woni say chapo ho. O friend ya ye be cho kwan be for so benya ode. ODI Electronics. Ye no ye delivery ekọ bebia.
Malaria ya banana edru na bo tenate. Fix Herbal, the Fix Mala mixture. Wa boni pitu, wa boni bede. Na otu malaria se prekupe na aba. Se wuti yo wenu mato. Wa powder nsisi wiye. Akwa hospiti ana akwa ye test ma wosi enya malaria. Ma malaria nzi unye bio. For Fix Mala mixture na obama wa pomuzin prekupe. Kwa drugstore ana pharmacy shop ne benya Fix Mala mixture ato. Na se pendudu etwa kwa Fix Herbal wo adenta kantamansu. Ana fre 020-844-4442. 020-844-4442. Fix Mala Mixture Dree, Obia Wayin San, and Arma Bufraba Nufu, and our Bufraba Onzim Fidrebian Umfa. Fix Mala Mixture, and Kratuyi, FDA Apenado.
Hey Jack, into bookshop or pass what town and I won't catch him.
Oh, Bloom's Bookshop and Trading Enterprise. Asemna Woken. Say it test books, exercise books, pen, pencil, eraser, adibia, a fa addition hono. Would we reach them Bloom's Bookshop and Trading Enterprise? On Sabekabi, you will book no any free crutch, ecopim tertiary institutions in Engina, and sorry, offices. And now what be bookshop kase and I will pay books in the Gumua. Also call them one sa ebekabi kai. Nation and so. Say, ye turn in the doso poom, sanso, and I open back pa on sa ebitumiaka. Akim or down supermarket, ye need GCB bank no, and a D and shady moon. Fraying was 0244 293632, and I say 0203 083031. Bloom's Bookshop and Trading Enterprise, mark of excellence.
Ewiasim ha say no ensa no dwuma ya ade a odofo so wa obi entuminji emfi unsem enu ntina VK Vocational Training Institute ababe biemu ewo epoye mantem ha ebe twetwen ye wo opepa no say ebesua fashion and design metre say ebesua sene ye pam emma ne mema entire papa omo twetwe decoration sene esiesie wedding ase engagement facilitator bridal fun outdooring enu ani VK Vocational Training Institute Oko onwaso ye hono ma omo checho ye pa 85% practical eni ti wonwie no abe pabne ewo ensanu dwumemu hwehwe ye kira kwan wo achim aboabo David Lapia kwan so eho ena ye wo prayer wa homa twufo yi eso na chinchemu asini medie 0241995775 0241995775 VK Vocational Training Institute ANM DFA.
Baba, Yankopon Islam, papa, Yankopon Islam, dear, and kind pony pon and James or dear Juma we Baharin Pacon, Gitum, Yankopon Islam, any pana. Obuoba no to can mamma and papa. When Yankopon count, you know, the count woman, the yatro.
Obuoba, many Emma who famase and they met me because my trust every time. We a product, to be frank, you are a product that we have to be proud of you. Yamishra will be great.
Okay, enti onsu nyame enhyira papa pasa ugusu awutie yen simano enan ena abapa anopa nonkono eho mebacho just in from a year road transport operators breaking news coming from them in the omo release the abaye can kind the amount see almost say first schedule increase in public transport fares for the year 2022 not just say omo babeto lorry fare emu. In line with the administrative arrangement on public transport fares, the road transport operators, after intense negotiations with stakeholders and in consideration of the plight of drivers, commuters, and the general public, have agreed to increase public transport fares by 15%. Due to the current trends on the international market and its impact on domestic prices, we have resolved with stakeholders to review transport fares whenever the cumulative net effect is 10% or more. The new fares take effect from Saturday, 26th of February 2022. The fares cover the following types of road transport operations. 1. Shared taxis. 2. Intra-city, that is the trotro. 3. Intercity, which is the long distance. We kindly request all commercial transport operators to comply with the new fares and post same at their loading terminals. We further request all operators, commuters, and the general public to kindly cooperate for the successful implementation of the new fares. We take this opportunity to assure all transport operators and the general public that we will continue to work in their interest. So sign a Mr. Godfred Abubri, General Secretary Ghana Private Road Transport Union, GPRTU of TUC Ghana. Mr. Emmanuel Ohene Yaboa, General Secretary Ghana Road Transport Coordinating Council, GRTCC. So for and on behalf of road transport operators, distribution of the big command Ministry of Transport, Ministry of Information. Inti say ye kwanitiawa edi amamwa road transport operators. Not to say enkabomuku a womo ena yeba no car yedi di dwuma womo no mo hwe so ye taxi ye trotro omo ko long distance no omo nyina na omo aka bom no omo kire say omo air tolore fe mu afe 2022 emu na ehho akonya se wo so omo tum san say okọ ewiase nyina adwadi bia kese obroni friend international market ya omo kire say eniema a omo ko fa de ba no nsesan kakra de aba ne bo no emu ekonanim na se ne nhyehyɛ ne tie no omo kire say abre bia ewiase nyina adwadi bia kese market no eniema bo ebekọ nanim akoduru ohamu abupen edu no nhyehyɛ ne se ewoso omo nsoso omo to omo ahyentuabo no emu eni ntimi no kasa yi nyame ya adom a efiri memene da ebai ekọ lorry fare womo tum ohamu abupen no edu enum na ohamu abupen edu num no omo twi taxi omo so beto omo diemu omo so twi trotro omo so beto omo diemu omo so etwi long distance ti say bia efiri odan ekọ Kumase efiri odan ekọ Enkran efiri odan ekọ Takrade omo twi long distance no omo betum omo so omo twi trotro nti senka Enkran a ebia no afa car ne di free circle o de kọ ebia babia memetie yi Teshi Nungwa ana o de kọ Spintes o de kọ Kanesi omo so ebeto omo diemu omo amususu twi taxi omo abo asene hwa omo so beto omo diemu na to omo tum no we ebeye ohamu abupen edunum 15% na omo de to empanimfo omo no omo de danka bomu kuo no nyina nim se nyame ya adom a efiri memene dade kọ no ena saa entumu foforo ebe hya ase wo ka kire wo mu pen se omo ankasa nya abotre enya adaje enya sisi a yede tena apremafo ayi ase ntena konwa so na saa ohamu abupen edunum nsesaye no aba no womo nsese ni nyina se ne omo tase besepa ne koni haban no omo tase na banyansafuo mu omo nya abotre enkom nsanta suo se do mu buda oda akonta enka kureti ne koroje omo wia omo fanto nkrata so omo mfa bi mo wo omo kaa mu omo mfa bi mo terminal station na tese ba bia kokofa car no omo mfa bi mo ho se ne be ya passengers no ba omo de wo mani kurutwa wisi omo hwene santamu ebehwe se ne nsesan no esitie na nkwankoye achinije bia yesi ha aka kire mo Ghana fo nyina se nia ye se ne be ya obi bia aso bedwo no na yen road transport operators de yenhwe ema taxi driver trotro driver ana obi a wo konkre Kumase long distance for no ensisi mo Ghana fo a mo ba befa car no saa nso so ne yenso so yenhwe se adroba fo a wo musu twi car hodo no o mo so obi a ensisi wo mo yesi ha achia mu pi adamose empanimfo a mo sa hye nkrata ya se eye twetwefo panyini edema Ghana Private Road Transport Union GPRTU of TUC Ghana Owura Godfred Abubri Sanso na General Secretary twetwefo edema Ghana Road Transport Coordinating Council GRTCC Owura Emmanuel Ohene Yaboa enso ensahya se atwerokrata yi yedi bia komaso ya wo hwe akobadie ensem eso sanso na di bia komaso ya wo no tonkra edema Ghana aban abusianti wei ayakrata e free road transport operators fo ne ho abasesi ya wo se yemfa mu amane no mfa mamuti nyame ya adom a e free memene da edi anim ya ekọ no lorry fare no ye tum ohamu abupen edu enum yerase ye ne empanimfo betwetwe nkomodi afa ho because nia ye ni mo Ghana and say initially no ye last week ye ne ya bema etwetwe nkomo two drivers ema ya bema mo ka kire yen se omo de omo tu mu ohamu abupen aduasa eni nti senkakane no na utu kwan de free enkran akonkoko a nanka utua 25 cedis and 27 yeah na saa 27 no so utua ne se omo tum enti se obetua 34 Ghana cedis as 35 Ghana cedis ufiri nkran ko enkoko a o kire se o matum o kire se o matum obi ana ba nhyase o kire se wo mo atum na eno na ede road transport operators in penimfo yi kire se eyo hamu abupen dunum enya duasa still na wo so mo ye calculations ne de be kire yen because yen ya ha ye tie yi sa calculation 15% yi o ka tom so mo calculate a wan hwi ya ne o mo de beto so ye mbehyew nti ye hwese yen sabe company fo no na ma be kire mu yie e de a kire yen nti abusuya nyame ye wadom na me da to u firifie akoba bia sika no fa bi ka ho de e pay ho an ye nyan nti sika no fa bi ka ho fa bi ka ho san se lorry fare no e firi me da ekọ ye to lorry fare mu me ka kire wu pen soboti adarumenti ye bu fukura ye kuma beto ye yem san se no an ye bebo na atimi boost ye immune system no nti obia ni bu ya afu ma ne nsanka soboti eye cool your heart ebe cool your heart de amount upe owu mpo lorry fare no firi me da ekọ ye tum opa ma ubunfu opa sresre ye tum ne ye pay ho no nti soboti se men kan kyerɛw se twitwa bi adentia he soboti no ye de akakaduro ye de hwentia ye de pepre ye de mako aborobe ene ne ya mix awurade nyame afia be se awura mpon ya ka bomu amemu pi kama na ni je se mo wo ni se ye ho adwuma eno an se ahyehyɛ ne kama de agu box bi mu kama te se leptin enti wo dia ne se wonsa ka bia ndra sei mebobo bi ade akene ma no damu ahoɔden wɔ hɔ bia ne me sresre saa soboti de di saa adwuma no enra ma hyɛ ne ma hyɛ firigim me firi ha no mo a me kɔtoa so bugu bo saa immune booster no ekɔla nim kama enti soboti ni ma wonsa ka bi ya package ne kama enti utu kwan akɔ aburukyira betimi de bi akɔ baby a ukɔ bia betimi de akɔ ukɔ school baby a ukɔ fa bi breakfast de amfa ni agro soboti nenie eno an sa wo beyi se de opɛ ebia mienu ba ko na de atonsu ohiem nsuohie no aye ne de eye se de edi kama se de opa na wo ankasa wo de asikyire de agum emfa milk mfa mfra because ye pese boost your immune system ne de ma wo enti mfa milk bia mfa mfra wanum yi aye ode nomene raw ahoden wo ho kama me pa cho me kiro ba bi ebi wo no akoto bi omanfo mo akyem odan efiri odan Our Lady of Fatima mpotem ho ni nyina muntie mu nyina mo foma ni nkire mu ante adwoa ne shop ho ante adwoa se ade pa ne ton ne ho eni nti ade pa se de won hwe ma ne nkɔ nti wasomu a wagye ton bi monko ho ebo no so efo eye kama nti ante adwoa akyem odan soro ho nyina odan ayi Roman soro ho nyina no ante adwoa pɛ obi aka so to obi ka ne ho oboa or impersonate momi ye nche no anti adwoa pɛ soro hɔ de anti adwoa pɛ ɛna ɛton bie afei se nyame wa adom na wo ba kuromu a kuromu no ye wona horo mienu se wo ba beduru opportunity area mu hɔ no mo no sa lane hɔ no ano ɛno an se wo bɛkɔ nana ya enterprise obowura mu nana ya enterprise nti utie me wo ofo ase yire bi so adu a chemachia se chia wanchi so abɛ ɛni dade ntem ne kenka ho kofodua mu nyina mu beduru odan se twen mo fuma ni nkire mu ɛwɔ nana ya enterprise ukɔ hɔ no ma wonsa bɛka bi na sɛ wankɔ nana ya hɔ na sɛ wokɔ Frimpon enterprise hɔ nso a ɛhɔ nso so onsa ɛbɛka bi Frimpon enterprise nso abɛgye bi a kyɛ sɛ nkɔfo atu agusu ɔmo tɔ adeɛ no koraa no wodwene ho a wonte aseɛ ɛyɛ ade pa ne ton ne ho ntia aboabofoɔ munya botrɛ yɛse aze ofie a oye eni ntie nie yesi ababofo ma mo ha mo ho sam ko da mo nyina mo de madi ba kire mu e wo aboabo supermarket Mary Nkrumah Enterprise one aboabo dwadi bia no market no ene di nhwe animu ene nti mo nso mo ko ho no mo a wo so wo pe soboti no a obo ka ho asema kan no upe bi mpacho e ya de pa ne ton ne ho memenum bi ene nti ni ya na me di ho adanse a me didi a me nwie da no soboti me ye brand ambassador minimini ya ama me 0551 119620 0244 087695 enre number be free actually din ODI Electronics medofo ODI Electronics ose me nka nkire pen se wo pe home appliances ai be boa wo pa ma watimi adi dwuma se ye fridge ye deep freezer say a gas cooker, blender, kettle, washing machine, iron. ODI Electronics. I want the baby say tam. I feel quite what the baby no cry the ababu aboha. Enti mamu hamo onya ba AHENKAN933. Ye de begu ado mo say tam. Momra na obi amra begene de. Ebo no so ye kama. Usika nso akwankra utimi ba. Wo de to ho no utua ne kakra. Ero ne ye fani sandan ho no. We be ba won so no watua ne nyina awie. ODI Electronics no. Repacho 0550 900600 0550 900600 Oba AHENKAN933 Oba be hunu mpanimfo na nkomo aka nyina mwatimi adi na aboa kama pa Repacho fa number we sese ya na frɛ ofra ka kyerɛ m sɛ ope kente upe kenta kɔware upe kenta kodi dwuma upe kente e de akɔkyɛ wo dɔfo bi frɛ sa number isisi ya kente bonwire kente enye China fo kente o 0542 741651 0542 741651 na te say yakuya nim kura frɛ sa number ne sisi ya Bloom's Bookshop and Trading Enterprise say exercise books textbooks ena wo pa omo pɛ ena omo ewo ne dosopu ne papa Bloom's Bookshop and Trading Enterprise asembenya se bia wo de hie bi ne wo kɔ crèche afi ne wo kwa kosua de twɔtwɔ ho no ana bia wo kɔ senior high nyame ya adom ankwala yi bebie school yi yesi se omampani akufu ado e free senior high school no aba na no nkyerɛ se no ano no so ate ase nso so ɔwofo no e wo so ye wafamu de e de boa e ma wo ba no ne daache etimi edi mu esipi na esita enti me kamfo eye Bloom's Bookshop and Trading Enterprise ena ede amount so ate ase kɔ hɔ bia no wabie bookshop no twotwopon bi wo baabi upe books agum entukwan konkret kumase obebo ka egu okwa prices na okoto ho na sa pepepe ne yeton Blooms ha enti bra na won so enya mfaso se tam fakodi dwuma ye wa achi modern supermarket ye ne GCB bank ne din hwe ni mu ya na wafrɛ yen 0244 293 632 0244 293 632 and 0203 083031 0203 083031 fresa number no na fe ye ntwetwe enkomo e wa kire ho VK Vocational Training Institute se men kan kire wo se o pe ba bi de oba na ko school ohun amana ko suansa no dwuma se brofo na dɔso nanso brofo entua ka brofo yemfa nya ware brofo entua school fees entua rent eyensa no dwuma na wo ye anya sika na wo de adi dwuma enti me kamfo VK Vocational Training Institute e de amawo achema boaboa eye Davi tilapia eho ene ebutuo enuoma bia ye kire se ne ye pam ma ne mema neoma ye pam wedding gown se ne ye fascinator bridal fan ne keka ho nyina ye kire ye wia ya san kire se ne ye decorations papa bi VK Vocational Training Institute wo mo adawroma ye wo machines ya hyehyɛ ne dan ne mu ma se den enti e bia waba usika sɛm nhye dan kɔ yie saa yen ye gya ya afo agi ahiafo agi obi a yenim sɛ nsatea nyina anye pɛ frɛ 0241 995775 0241 5775 ofre sa number no a enkoma aka chire nyina VK ene wo ebedi some 21 minutes after 9 a.m. me pacho wo lot of fan to mu no mahunu se womo ede ayibi asende me tententen wa ha so I will try to walk you through na fe yehwe changes no aba no we are 15% no and I say we ye 30% there no we are 15% there no okay nti omo kire say 15% there no omo de aba effective eye nyame adom me me da bay intracity tro enti me pa chow muma munyina maso mfa maso mfem me na yehwe ntumu no aba no enti ebia baabi ananka kane okwa eye 1 Ghana cedi no sei akwa kugina 1 cedi 20 pesos baabi awokwa ananka eye 1 cedi 10 pesos no nyame yadom a free memene da eko akwa kugina 1 cedi 30 pesos baabi na eye 1 cedi 20 pesos akọ 1 cedi 40 pesos baabi na eye 1 cedi 30 pesos no akọ 1 cedi 50 pesos baabi na eye 1 cedi 40 pesos ekọ 1 cedi 60 pesos baabi na eye 1 cedi 50 pesos no omo de call 1 cedi 70 pesos baabi na eye 1 cedi 60 pesos ekọ 1 cedi 80 pesos baabi na eye 1 cedi 70 pesos ekọ 2 Ghana cedis baabi na eye 1 cedi 80 pesos ekọ 2 cedis 10 pesos baabi na eye 1 cedi 90 pesos no ekọ 2 cedis 20 pesos 1 cedi 90 pesos ekọ 2 cedis 20 pesos ena baabi na eye 2 cedis no eno nso kọ 2 cedis 30 pesos baabi na eye 2 cedis 10 pesos ekọ 2 cedis 40 pesos 2 cedis 20 pesos and nei ekọ 2 cedis 50 pesos 2 cedis 20 pesos ekọ 2 cedis 50 pesos and 2 cedis 30 pesos ekọ 2 cedis 60 pesos baabi na eye 2 cedis 40 pesos no ekọ 2 cedis 80 pesos and baabi na eye 2 cedis 50 pesos ekọ 2 cedis 90 pesos baabi na eye 2 cedis 60 pesos no so ekọ 3 Ghana cedis baabi na eye 2 cedis 70 pesos ekọ 3 cedis 10 pesos baabi na eye 2 cedis 80 pesos eno so kọ 2 cedis 30 pesos enkrofo be di twere twere bo be kọ so pe Ghana ha sebedwo but de epe ho ani momienti ase ebefa why kakra ebefa bibia be kakra enti adwen ye na be me na ne aka na foma ni so mi hu na se won so betumi di bia to so a yeah dio enti dia make kan ye tro de ye hwe taxi no taxi ne dia no we he okay enti taxi nso nie ai se bedwo Ghana taxi ne dia no omo kire se baabi ana eye 1 cedi ekọ dia na eye 1 cedi 30 pesos no ekọ 1 cedi 50 pesos baabi ana eye 2 cedis 50 pesos and also call 2 cedis 90 pesos baabi a eye 3 cedis 80 pesos ekọ 4 cedis 40 pesos ena baabi eye 4 cedis 60 pesos ekọ 5 cedis 30 pesos baabi eye 6 cedis 30 pesos ekọ 7 cedis 30 pesos baabi eye 7 cedis 50 pesos ekọ 8 cedis 70 pesos baabi ana eye 8 cedis 50 pesos ekọ 9 cedis 80 pesos baabi ana eye 9 cedis 70 pesos no say ekọ 11 cedis 20 pesos baabi ana eye 12 cedis 50 pesos omo kire say ekọ 14 cedis 40 pesos ena baabi eye 15 cedis 90 pesos ekọ 18 cedis 30 pesos so trobo ebekọ so pa adwen
ja
dia kana fuma ni so mabobo tro for de no
okay
enti hwe se ubetimi the long distance for de na dia ba
akwa no so na tell time we no na me hwe long distance
okay long distance na mahunu
baby 24 no
5 cities
okay
there be eno ne intercity long distance intercity long distance nti omo a firi Kumasi ekọ we no no so e wa ha no mo
okay me machine na ojeje mo he intercities na wo keka ye no
me pacho no na ye pese wo kama yin sisi
okay
me maka trotro
okay
and maka taxi enti na je say practically no say ye kama obi ate ase wo ye mpotem ha no mo a se kane no ufiri aboabo e ko odan nanka eye 2 cedis 50 pesos say omo kire say e ko 2 cedis 90 pesos
okay
hey Ghana
intercities no wa ha
edi bobo kakra mai na afedi aka mo dia
long distance no was say baby a 5 cedis no sisi a 6 cedis
and 6 cedis nso cost 7
and 6 cedis cost 7 cedis and baby a 7 cedis no e cost 8 cedis 10 pesos
aswala pa
and baby a 9 cedis e cost 10 cedis
they say 8 cedis nso be cost
9 cedis yeah and baby a 10 cedis no e cost 12 cedis
oyiwa
baby a 11 cedis e 13 cedis baby a 12 cedis e 14 cedis baby a 15 cedis e cost 18 cedis baby a 16 cedis
e no cost
19 cedis baby a 17 e cost 20 cedis baby a 18 cedis e cost 21 cedis baby a 19 cedis e cost 22 cedis baby a 21 cedis no e cost 25 cedis say 4 cedis na be ka ho baby a 23 e cost 27 cedis
enti ye beba no watwa so ye kwa ma no so ne GPRT wo mo chairman ankasa enkotwetwe enkomo chairman Nana Brinsiama Nana woti yenkan FM so nie umpo mboko de
ya mi adum mpa bo no ye pa
ye de awurade ase enti dia ye bobo so ye ne ya nyade afiri mu ankasa GPRTU empanimfo eho wadaroma obo ne tofa ma yen a enchire mu ne san
yo me da se me fo fidie so ma tia otie fo nyina yo se be me kakra ni I don't start be November last year. The batu abonten se. Ya adwina na sa de ani giense so re se atoka bom. Emoy because kan kura tumu a ehun se dwuma kura fe na se ya enkoyi. Ye mon ka betimi aban entity tax Saudi to petrol so. Ye wono a maka. Na the last resort say ne sanity there on to petrol first mine. On to lorry first mine. The be two is near aban sin kunya. Apem no nora ikoshia na kaende nam se yen enim se customers papa ene passenger phone tin naka e pebe 20% abane e transfer hwe mu ana ebubo ho no tagia tun se ni 15% tomuti ya tada sente no
and enwachi ni yehu se mo ankasa maye nkonta bia mo de abanti bebi akane no and long distance baby anka na mitua 5 cedis say e be co 6 cedis and only 15% ne calculations no one
when you na yesi ye mfa de no emetu dwapre pese ya kan ya yenyi nti edite crash for all stations ni branches ni regions ni na so omonhwe na fair be a station bia en calculate 15% man because that percentage calculation ni panyina na nim nti empe express o mobi to maye se ba ya kasa bia ma meet ana driver ni passenger
but nana say ye share 15% percentage amode aba no na ye calculate some of the prices ni bia ye hunu are from GPRTU I say enye 15% oh
no ne dabe sadi ba na junko ana ye na mo
ba ye ndra na junko ade ni ye hunu yi yahunu senti we say yahunu omo chese baby anka kane long distance no nanka omo je 5 cedis say e cost 6 cedis interno ye bisa say 15% increment no eno na maye ho calculation yi ana
ohun listen so sa
me pa cho wan
on say if ata no ma bebre o se Ghana sabi wo ente se omo titi abuchira ebu sika friend Queens ya ha and the Queens bi okro bi koto se bi da bonten a omfa enti ehun se bi a ba bi aduro no se ya de bi a emru su bi a na ran na nti se ohun bi sa na sa nti ba bi so ho a bete so
oh okay
empire so akonya be 95 90 pesos mu ne ade a se na exactly they do 10 1 cedi no nti ibi sa na be ran na
oh okay and you said dia ama as a yen shedan hunu 15% calculation no more running up
bibi o run up because that say yen fan say oje 1 cedi o say 15% ko kan be 1 cedi 15 pesos Ghana hane enso 5 pesos na be ututu mi aje se mu ikoyi umusu in the best chance be ko 1 cedi 20 pesos
and you say per mo crampo mo calculations amodi abai na je say my a bit considerate
or you should wear them paper once baby 1 cedi 10 pesos yeah also all consider a question say any 1 cedi 30 pesos and the 20 pesos na kan
I see enti we ni de nyame yademo e free memene de ekono eye adwuma no
pese obi abobo no yi yempe ekwantu asawe a product and a customers in passenger for oboye na passenger ni asawe ana obia obuno na meet ni bia sabi obia omu no okakasetia no ntine pese bibia na sabe obia hu de
I see nana ma yenase bibia ni ebesa babiem na we dia wadaroma wo come producer atwemadwen asi bibi so wadaroma ye pese wo ne o members no across Ghana enkasa eduru ni sabre ya na ebinu mo ankasa bubo mu tirimu calculate ni said omo pe enti omo tie o
the American say enya de say we yetna ho bebre di how we abeto online fe na procedure da hon seka petrol price increase by 10% we say trans ne pe kakra to dollar for ne kerra force etna ho ha from last year it took car boom June yeah 13% yeah ho hwe so calculate kra no e ko almost 30% increment of the petrol so they can say communicate ne sign the abase from now is a ba so I don't do 10% e be hwe their terms into we anya botre na ye nyina e bi no
nana ma ye na asiaropei
madam wasipi
enti yene GPRTU of TUC Ghana womo national president ena ekotwetwe enkomo no nana Brinsiama ayrio
how you do bibiu ana you do
enti na tse me betena yemfa ne sa asene ana wo de yemfa ne se me betena aboabo ha na mayi almost 7 cities e dey accord dan ba as lorry fare ade a me kotokura minim oh serious
how you do
but me blame drivers no
oh that be
because drivers no mo nhye ne say ye to fuo mu ohamu abupen edu 10% bia e was ye to lorry fare mu but minumi enu bedi adanse say within 3 months you will feel him because 3 months mai
Dabi 2 months February
ya to lorry fare mu be 3 times ya to mu bia nso a go beyond 10%. It's so mo
so ma hwe ya che
oma huni
amabo ache
yes
oma huni
amabo inti we dia driver for no me ne mo ya dwen 100% muntum na mom mamu mbo mu tiri mu ntutum
no die
mamu mbo mu tiri mu ntutum mo ya de pa because say no mo tufu ani mu bum no ano odin say we nim say a gallon of fuel e ka ko 30 cedis 1 gallon
30 cedis
e ko 30 cedis enti 1 gallon betimi dey adwuma ai just a to more than 1 gallon obu on mo to say 3 4 na wo to enu wie na wa betiti obu akro tena kari mo so media misika 1 CD misika 2 CD
2 CD
ni nyina no omo age enti se bibi se wo ka ne ho obe dan ye ada se
ono kura no wonya se na de ato no ho wonya se akoma ka awura na ka se ya yenya se de aye
ya se de aye adwuma mu nso na omo aye bebree omo aye bebree nti wo fa ha taxi ni odan kwa de omo sem ya awre okay wo fa ha taxi ni
tebi wonu mo timi chesu wo fie nyina
sani ntina yi nano na yi oba fie kan se
no anti asem so se obi business wan chesi wa bi wonu ma nam kwaso gbogbo se obi da no ho na o chesi wu
etime de me ni omo ya adwen me ni omo ya adwen 100% omo ya ade adroba fon kra ya ade me ni omo ya adwen se last year omo de ntumu ba ya ehwehemu ala nya papa ye no omo de boso ha but we de omo di bem omo ya ade Oma ye na che na die nti ntimi nka no nsa adobafo bebre no a na omo fa ma fa na enti we no akoye gobe no omu hunu ne ka ani ti na twetwere omo bo no
this is bisu say yi levi kura wa chire o ma twetwe yi levi
o ma ka ti yi levi enye no mbe hunu ni enti atutum na me kura de me pe enkran de no nsa me ma
de ma hu mi gina bia
me ma kwantuo ni enkran
me ma hu mi gina bia
ha enti te say enkran de ni sei na yetua sample is it 23 cedis or so
at least 20 no nya 27 there
enkran no na
29
oh okay
no bet you 34
29 no 34 hey
bet you 34
ene sana ya ka abo ha
wonsu
Kumasi for suit ya sen
ye 1247
Jesus ene sana wo ba ko ba nko bi
oh na me say me ko Kumasi November ni mu me tua 35 January no me say me ko Kumasi me tua 40
obetua
January ya o ena February me ka say me ko me tua 47 that means month bia na 2 months bia no
ya tum na ye ka ni say ya nwi kwaku nkroma ho ya nwi ne ho
ono kro be je ni wani ni dili mai
eni omo de eni omo de wose ya sheda pass ase ni esira omo kose
rade on gona de ko yo ire no manu abusu ya ro de ni nyina HS bi de okwa so
dabi o say mobile money no wonye because of e-levy a obefa car so a lot of friends will say me ni enti ye hunade bi na ka se mu mi ankrofo no ye mia no ye den ya e-levy no obetua because I was two kwan no a obetua more than 100 cedis no because you fan say bia wo Kumasi se si amutua 47 enti in and out ye saying almost 90 cedis almost 90 cedis so ukwa so obedidi wo kwan mu e na ukoduru Kumasi na
bro na nteni mpo
eye se uduru Kumasi a wo se meduru Kumasi
dabi
obesan afaka
e wono so namba na metua wo be 10 cedis
sa ansa na wako hu abusuafo ofa adwempa aba
e se 100 cedis no e be bro mpo
enti se wo de be kɔ no ene ma me famfa mobile money wo de fa won so amusi ye ni
ani ezia de ayi se ye kwatiti ni mu omo na ye kama no
ya tete aduane bone dia mo
isi omo na ye kama no ise mo ya ase awisu se ayi kura kan environmental ayi one agency ayi kokofu
okay wo
na bu kokofu se ye se petrol dodo obi won ma wo fria wo kɔ odan no afaka wo se petrol
etina sisi amafo kan yo wonan na
da ya no
ene na wonan na enti ni ebe say ye wo list no wa ha ye be print enti wo ye driver wo pe bi a wo betimi abaji bi wa
ha ye wi nso ye de beto AHENKAN933.com e na afi Facebook nso no makohwe enti keto phone so no obi amfa mu
sa enti ye di kogu yen Facebook page ho ye di gu ho no mu wi a na ya san aprint bi di egu ha
sure
ana ebe ba na wo request ya aprint bi ama wo
na we ni say ba bi na menti ase o minim say eye mistake no mo ye yo
ehemfa
me ba bi wo ho no ma say wo ayi ho no na ye kan say intercities na
okay
long distance no
okay
ba ku ba bi 56 wo say one no 100 series current fare no 100 cedis ɛna new fare no yɛ 70 cedis sɛ menim sɛ wahu saa
ɛyɛ mfomsoɔ na aba
bɛyɛ mfomsoɔ
ɛwɔ sɛ nka wei ba ha na wei
kɔ ha oh okay ɛna ɛyɛ mfomsoɔ
ɛwɔ sɛ nka wei mu ba ha na wei
kɔ ha ɔmo tua 70 ni bɛtua 100 saa ɛyɛ mfomsoɔ saa na mehu no
enti kane na wotua 70 cedis a sɛ wobɛtua 100 cedis sale kwaku nkroma ka ha waka ha
brother isi amuma ya asase nye
waka ha
na muma yi sekan
te saa so de je si odi ahenkan ye
dia no on be tikire busia ba ha prekwan
odi ahenkan
family
o so otototo nkrofo no yamam because say ade kika ko edi yentimi me bo bra e ma me ka ha because of lord fair na wo de wo se wuntua 11 wo be konso a eno so be bo
eno so be yere no siren Egasi si ade ayen so obekọ ntina nka jade afafon yusu keke abusua monye
because me say omo ye say omo de beba nka me ye say me ntua etika bibia ni a eno an say
wafa wo ka
me fa me ka na ye buru wasa bra usu ye ma empanifo mra mu bi na ja enti ye be kipu di aka no wa ha
sure
wo a wo pe bi no ba won sa be ka bi won sa be ka bi na ja se ne ye be ya ntokwa mma aya no akọ ahenkan FM online sanso na Facebook ahenkan ye downloading ye uploading sisi ya akọ a onsa betumi aka ye ma mampani nkasa na afi ye ma abedwafo nso kwan ye no momra mu bi.
Fellow citizens, I ask you to be citizens, not spectators, citizens, not subjects, responsible citizens, building your communities and our nation. Let us work until the work is done.
Me bacho 0201944485 and 0554820910. First caller. Me bacho Udi ni baby akase free.
Hello.
Udi ni baby akase free o.
Oh sorry, Mr. Abbas me miss call na.
Mr. Abbas you hello, me bacho Udi ni baby akase free.
Ate mo asama KKB.
Wada no mayiti o.
President, I better who say India is 11 into our coffee. What the petrol mine is about the same honor.
In the moon, dear minch, remedy.
I say, near my Ghana.
If I told you about yourself free.
If I show it in the city, I could hear.
But you ain't your baby.
I mean, Chairman of Face, shall like you and the Zongo focus. Any message have left. Near me help you, call you, be chow for you, any child my baby. 11 nankasa na moka ho asem no himfo na gya to mu na mo se yentua ya nye ntumu nne etena so ka ho ani ye ntua so nne etena so ka ho woto aba bone a ho faso e na wonya anything aban ensama na wa meka nje ganafo omo to aba ma no omo si omo ti ase omo nyim bu ase mu na ye wasofo bi nso a efa eka se me ko ye man peni jandama ni mama wo so omo ji lezu omo sisi omo ti ase e o bebi bi omo wo aban no bu oman fu kankan we ye ni omo fu puntumi ntonofo ya sori di gari wo prem wo wiem puntumi nto aban yifu e ti ho no mo ye tu petrol organa ha e di taxes e gugu petrol so ene aba betu lorry fam si yi levi atutu botom enye dwuma ne otena kan ye nyi dumu yo na MPs no mo wo parliament na NDC MPs no omo afọ mo na edika na pade wo mo party wo mu nyina ye be to betia o normal business
okay
so mo ni ni papa bi afa ma o man da mo ni nyame yedu
nyame enka wonso ho ye chi akwati afo nyina mpache odi ni ba bi akase free
awonye kwanchi
anwa yenkwai
go for bukuro for ho madin omo ye fast papa on ye si into 11 into on ba bi o de akofa me akwanto mbodi intent nfa me umbo mimi ntukwan na ba esa ngan na meba
ya te boss eh ya dio bajo udi ba bi akase free
your friend me Michael Atefa
boss mpacho intio
e bajo na mi visa se lorry driver no mutu no ye taxi driver for ye de kan ho ana se
okay enti koswati em se na wutie ba bia fe no de ato radio ankasa ya ka ho asem dadadada de bia ka tem se munya anwuma matie no na muntie radio ya ka monte ya ka ho asem dadada ye wo pepes no wa ha upi bia wo ba won sa beka thank you udi ni ba bia akasa free
hello
me ba to udi ni ba bia akasa free
Obuoba Maakye
majo usu o me de share
Because everyone.
Boss, you
Kukroni, near Veswa. Or my, you took petrol. But I am there to the Anna, anything. You know, this castle, and to the guy, I mean, only again. Never a carrier, and we are required to a bob. That what a man can do. Doctor, I mean,
yeah, that's it, baby. But you didn't, unfortunately, when to me and you to me, baby. 0201944485. But you didn't be able free.
From Stagger, taxi driver.
Stagger, I pull my card here.
Yamia
don't know your papa, ain't you?
There was my father, my Ghana. Petrol 30 cities. 30 cities.
36.
36 cities.
So I pay penny account.
And you know, and you know, I am. Maakye bi ama na enye yi sa tifka na eze mfo
yati
eze ya so bi apese na djuma koso no ye yi wo ati mfuka ya tu mfuka na mfuka na o yale anya ka na ba be fa akọ o mfuka no ye be da didi
ebe ti na ni sokora obeforo
nti no bi apese na store koso obi apese na djuma koso nti obi nse djuma koso anu yi na ye kakla.
Thank you.
Nti me da sipa
yenso ye da sister guardian no fa chudi ni obi akase free money o boss.
Yeah, and that's taxi driver.
Boss, I'm going to you.
Yeah, I let the end of my power. Now, over driver, your problem with the crowd. Now, I am not a I am not a Muska against here, and I mean, my idea, in Bomabaso. Yeah, or down 3 stations, lower Halina. I was a fool and a wild. Always say, when you fully the upper. Ama ya different things say dia na wa just machine another thing obunya ba ma bra bo no moko omo no try no na ka fu anya ne boy dey man any problem iti ya ko say ko to wangala ye bu mu a obesu wangala 30 upon fu na ne boy dey na what just machine no iti ye bu mu a ori da wa na e fa say asa passing the no so iti ya mo say town one no aye 29 ye no person ta he no obefu ka ru me bi ka you think I choose you. I put 2 cities now on the man. What I know, Joe. 2 cities on my chest. I'll buy a Juma taxi driver. I'll buy a Juma. I'm first over 20 pounds. I said, I'll get a point. A new 80, about 2 cities, 20 and about 250 pesos. It's a Pass labor. That's why I'm not cassette here. I want to go there and I haven't been brave because consider for
Yati. Yeah, that's Yati, that's it. Me pa chudi ni baby akase free. Too bad. We bet me assign a baby. We bisa say a free abena say de call enkwanta saying. And a free in quantan so the bow dan saying, Pacho, just say me who sika no more je first and answer a bit me can one sem. But you didn't be say free.
You say me, ma. Where's your down quanta?
Pacho into you.
Waba ma funya menshira fa.
Amen.
O aka na me wona me ba be bia usema wo de ba radio so no. E kire ade eni adwentre papa pa menshira ja me mo ho ban onye okese.
Amen.
Na ko so ye ni sa. Driver for Oma Abuya Papa Pache. In Canano say a 2 petrol more. Yet 2 more the prices come. Yet 2 months so I might yet Timam for yet to say, or to petrol. The sister and Tissa. Driver for no cotoa, no makoto. Was yet man for your name. Yes, yes, toss, do I won't go my emo. So be at on Nadia, the open or it is Zenokofano de Biato. Oko Bisani as say ya, Obetiaka, Wato. But driver need your son and him surprise me down. 10% bed down super passenger for anyone kuntokwa. Na kana ekoba no so enye petrol nkwa o. Nneema step part na nneema e maka no ran nyina ade kina de san dia yetu. Nso petrol no nkwa etima ye de eka driver no won kwan se otuso no mpo enye ono ankasa. E na enye percentage ye de atu mu no no de tu so. Enti mesre aba no abasa ye ne bibia ye se gise etia. Na de ba kwa e wo se Obroni so befuka dia ye jeno no wasisa ne sika no preko no dia ma driver ni no ye bibi mamu ha de obema osika kese ma driver ni no ho akyerew se ye koto buta hura na ye yie fi ho na ube hu dompi me bo nyina driver ni a okotia to butu no
na ɔde sika kɛseɛ de ma yɛsesa no nti na ma yɛakyɛ wɔ hɔ nso aborɔfo ma mɛnti saa sika no a wotua no wode hɔ a na wode atom na wokɔ nti yɛnkasa yɛnhyɛ ne yɛnsɛ yɛntam ne yɛmmere
okay
yɛnti sɛ yɛ sika no nefa mmɔ driverfoɔ no ɛnyɛ saa ntɔkwa no yɛbɛko saa nyame hyɛ ɔne mmɔ ho ba no nyɛ adwuma papa
amen nyame nka wo so ho mepakyɛ wodi ne baabi akɔsɛ free
Pacho original neo.
hey original
Masa.
ɛna wogyae mumu saa no
What them pacha fache mo.
Yo.
Yeah, them go in fan afo.
yo nipa na de bɛkyɛ no sɛ me ane yɛ ameka
Na naru no wafum. Ono aso yetiska kokɔ so. Enso oba ehwe. Isef ufo ka fiti asane kwa. Se lord fe obetia. Obedu okwa o se niska ya kutu abi. Niska so. Obefa no because o kwa empty. Because all men ye play. Nti yesona na so session na nyansa because abana di antu bim. And I don't know about when you're I don't die party. Yes, I abandon your batubium.
Yo, yati.
This I don't cassette with my back.
Yati. Yamu akwaba.
Yeah.
Okay. Enti kaka kunu no be ma to di ni ba akasa free.
Jadam Fori.
Jadam Fori wa dara ma yinti o.
Oyo anopa mi ni Fori enen so nyame ayadomode ntie baako aka mi ntie ho kama pa. Eti nyame esra me pa.
Amen.
Eti minso me koso na minso makanshan se munso eguminia Ofori bia waga ne bia se na minso Ofori bia na onya kesi ko sita mo ba kesi pa ni fa ko ne so etia mi krom de dem fo mi nua ile we de eya ye atinjine champa o eya ya ngomete sem sanse eno so na ye papa no amani kui anase MPD 4% mo de eboa omen na me na Ghana for yaye ni pebia so ya tia solid mu na nso nya atum hadodo na de bia me kasa ne se ye to ade mu kakra me ni Ofori obi pese ade na ya tum no onya ne mo ho inse me da nya me boa ya to atensedium obi afele ni petrol cell or man kasa petrol menso makofa nioma inse ka sada da no ye hunu se ewo pom nka ma de ewo pom kakra no ekọ no yenya ni saa o ni otumu na amanu mu aye rensin na ye de ehwe aban no enso aban no de ni se obehwe ye ne enso ye di ye nanso ni lewi obi empese omane ko nua school fees ye de tua edidi free ye ye didi free kakra mra covid ba ye wo ye panie free ye eastern region na na do de nsaka road bia ye no ma bo abofo go chesi ya aye gusu ye be ye makro aye krabehe ni na tiri ye zeri ye mpre unia anopa ya ngomte fa ye zeze obi akoma mra fom na enye yi unia anopa ifia papa nyamira o
se nyamira on so pa onto nkwannem ema yen ye da se me pa cho too bad Udini baby akase free.
Hello.
Yes boss.
Good morning.
Me pa cho Udini baby akase free.
If I'm kwakwa am kase free subwa.
Boss yentio.
Yo, mpacho na me see me bi say free subwa call da no mo je 4 cedi. Ise be ebe kwasai.
Enti wo de na straight up ebe ko 5 cedis.
Yo.
Thank you. Yanso yeda say. Obi nso so de aba obi sa say
I say 44.
Debi na also omutua 4 cedis.
4 cedis, okay.
Nti ebe ko 5 cedis. Obi nso de aba ebisa say efi odan de ko abena se. Ose first no mutua 3 cedis 50 pesos. Nti wada roma check mame. Na ye hwede esisi obi tua. Ampa chodini bebe akase free.
Ate fam ko bi me tagram kase fi odan ya.
Boss yenti o.
We de ye bet tre sol pena ba ne driver so ye pena dia tu. Nti ye bet say ye nuanom customers na bi mu ye adwuma. So mu so mayen. Nya fe no bi be for car the pen e bet so say ye to mu say. Asa say ye fuel 1 gallon e 35 cedis e 36 cedis. And then 3 days me ko to engine oil na me turn 1.1. Man yi ma me the 1.1 man we are 20 cedis. BTI. And the mess tre ye nanum ka we customers no mu ye adwuma no wo mu so lo fe no mai. Bi e brepa ni nyefu no ko na na boaye pe nyoma no boaye.
Okay. Yeah, that's it, baby. Me pacho Udini baby akase free.
If we are tintu
sister say why ain't you?
Obuoba.
Mami.
Nanado, Sikana me at so no de wa meto on.
Omampanyini.
Omampanyini Nanado.
Thank you.
Wa meto scan koko na o se at so nanti wo ba na wa ba ma ye ho atan ne wa meto. So wa meto scan dia, ani omampanyini na o wo so no no afa scan a yan hwehwe ne yehu. Ade ne yehu. Sese nipa hu ne yenye ho kura adan. Na omu de omu wura omu de ma na omu yi scan de ne yenye hu omu hu bi o. Nti omu ka ne omu pe. Na yenum de ye blepa. Nti omu hwe no omu emu aye kakra na edin. Nyame nsira bebre oboba.
Amen.
Na ahenka de wentie wa me nim station abekwa koti. Eho na nipa nyina wo nyame wo nsira mu bebre. No nsira ye ka etira mpofo a.
Amen.
Bye bye.
Bye. Yeah, that's it. If I want to witch to cry, Udini baby I free.
Obuoba logic and so ave.
Boss yentio.
See you have for there.
Nyame adom na wonso e.
Boko.
Thank you.
Obuoba Oma tutunyo wende ye o so ave dem see tupan. Ye mo me kwan kra nye. Dana na we ogo gana me aka say. Mumma na mmeche kwan na de say omo mo so mo de school no. Omo be say mbucha na mde akoto. Na esina manfo ahye na ye ngwase mo ma. E de esre wa mo ma me hye kwan mai. Ni mo mfe no matum de Obuoba ye wu. Na so omo be je si wanchi no asafu moto. Na moto ni ko sa do bo sa be 3 cities.
Okay.
Na be fantasy di so ba be ti wanchi. Awo be jo be 7 cents each. No asafu moto asa Obuoba hey. Mumpa Ghana mumpa de Obuoba ye bro. Ye bre pa MPP ni so bia kan ko bia umnyina. Obuoba ye bompe sen kan next 2024 about 20. National capacity MPP ni ndi se njo mungu baby. CPP woni we no mse interview ne be bona. Ye kone pa de Ghana pa de ye bre mini nyame nyadwuma.
Nyame enka wonso oho. Me ba cho wa for so ewura ma Udini baby akasa free. Boss mpacho yenti o ni fi en sorry so.
Bato obo mebe bidafe ye bele fona aya fu lo ko to biana. Obo to biaka. Obo to biaka de strom ye bele ba domu ye mo ye strom.
Yate ye da se bebre. Me mpacho mo amofre mo fa nche nyame yadoma wo chena. Na yato aso nti onipa no se ye efi odan eko odan kwanta mum na eye 3 cities 50 pesos into peso wo hunu se sisi ye beko sen sa so na obi foforo nso ebisa se efri anyina se de ko odan kan na 4 cities 50 pesos enei ebeye sen eno so obisa o si mada Ghana pa ni Kate de o de ba ye no obi so the question ni bi dia ba obisa se na mami die said you can say yate adwenkyere but aroba for no muntie me pain eya munya anwom no amutie no ene akire ho na mutie no ya omo nhada ma information papa ha no mo ne ya muntie information papa na ha ya ne wo aroba for no muntie me ka kire mu pain entumu we no aba no me Obuoba Ofori Amanfo Commander General ensuro jaba ko amaka me say metamochi 155%. Monye maye bi ma pinimu tirimu ache. Na die ntia na muntimi nka ni nyina mo so na mo de form of nana ntia na ebu aka musim na mumu bebre no afere. Eni ntia na muntimi nka ho asem no. No kore asem no kore so de ento sebe. Ntima ka kire wo pain metamochi monye na mom monye dia esene fata. Oje bro so na ne de wasem be to yanimu aha ne mo a ye fa ho nchew my idea because he say your top petrol gallon back 36 cedis 1 liter mudi break the 8 ampa ya break 8 enti monye na ne mi ya ne sen krofo bi na kaboabo ha dwen kwakunkuruma ka ha ye pasa asema no na ye bo modi akofa ne yire ne ma ne be ka ne ho na afia chiri din Billy say menyini so be ko biem odi ni kurom ache wo mo yemfa sedan konfama aboafo o mo kan ho me adi dwumadi de bre mo adwempa hini Kofi Mensan ne di animu Kobike Boa no Kwame Asante ka ho bi ɛna odi ankan kwa me ebo anso ka ho me ofre me Obuoba Ofori Amanfo the Commander General ba akopɛ ensuroja adwenkese be ye adwuma ne bra so osore so ama nwumadi ahoro aka ni nyina beto aso de ama mo mepache onyi fidie ni mfiri ha koso atie yen nyankopon ya adoma wo kyena